Testing. Testing, testing. Gosh, dude. Hello, hello. Are we here? Should be good now. You guys there? What's up? Welcome back. Gosh. My power went out, jockey. My power went out. I can't update a graphics card in the power company. What are you talking about? I've never seen it's like as if it's just a flash of power. It's just off. Everything black. Like, that was... I don't even know what to say. It's like unreal. Sorry, good. Are we all here? We public? There we go. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Please. Yikes. Okay, at least the frickin' bot's in the right stream. Thank God. I had a somebody who flew over my house and dropped an EMP? Seriously. Who dropped an EMP? I'm serious. Who the hell dropped an EMP on me? Who DDoSed my electric company? Who DDoSed my electric company? Hold on. Y'all don't understand the amount of... Y'all understand the amount of things I have to do to launch a stream back on all platforms? Amazon Prime drone delivery? Massive news. Send me the links, BK. There's been news dropping. Okay, let's try this again. Praying we don't have that issue again. Guys, I will say, if for some reason my power goes out again... If my power goes out again, we'll see you tomorrow. Okay? If my power goes out again, we'll see you tomorrow. I love you all. But, literally, I have to launch so many things to, get everything back up. It's just really annoying. Welcome back. My power went out. Sorry. I'm making sure all platforms are here. Honestly, who EMP'd? Who EMP'd me? Who knocked my power out? Literally, I've never seen power flash so quickly. I've never seen, like it literally just turned off and then, 5 seconds later, it turned back on. Okay. All right, U.S. House bill has passed preventing the Federal Reserve from issuing CBDC. Oh, well. Lame. What was the point of passing the digital asset thing yesterday? Yeah, what's up, man? Welcome back, everybody. I'm just waiting. DeFi about to explode. No, but it's just, it's interesting. We technically, yeah, we don't want a central bank digital currency. That would defeat the purpose. All right, I'm waiting for people to get back in here. We're gonna go over Ethereum again. You missed the earlier stream, Mike? Good one. Good one, Mike. Yeah, my stream deck's messed up. Everything's messed up. Hold on. I gotta fix my stream deck. There we go. All right, are the buttons working?
Who's your daddy?
Is this one working?
Who's your daddy?
Yeah, bot Bitcoin predictions are always saved, man. That's an internet thing. You're on a roll, 2 streams in a day. Okay, all right. Good one. Good one, man. All right, welcome back, guys. Do you think it's going to be approved? Yes. Hey, Dark, I appreciate that, man. Sorry, guys. If you're just now tuning back in, we appreciate you. Oh, I got to update. Gosh darn it. I got to update the YouTube or the Discord. Hold on. So, there's just so many things wrong, Discord. Give me 1 second, guys. I gotta update the event in the Discord. Please don't EMP my house again, please. Please don't EMP me. I need a generator on this house when that happens. Okay. Save event. We are... Bear with me. I need to spend... Let me spend 10 grand on a generator for the house. Okay, I think we're back. I think we're on all platforms again. Goodness gracious. Trying to get everything lined up again that quickly is difficult. All right, my friends. We were discussing Ethereum. Remember, we are looking at the short on... How we doing? Holy moly, guys. The less is printing now. Let's go. What'd we say? Already up 648. Let's get it. Keep going. Man, what a pullback. It's already retested that previous high. The problem is this could rebound in... Well, now I don't even know. Shoot. What time do we started the stream, right? At okay, so guys, at 15 down here. Oh, you guys can't see the clock. At 15:45, okay? 3:45 Eastern. 3:45 Eastern. We will take our Bitcoin predictions, okay? 3:45 Eastern. Hey Siri, set a alarm for 2:45. I'm Central Time, guys. I'm Central Time. So 3:45 Eastern, we'll take Bitcoin predictions. Hey TK, appreciate that, man. All right, let's go. Man, our less is looking good right now. All right, Ethereum, guys. Man, it went up and hit that 39.27 price like it was like its job, right? All that came from was that weekly level we discussed, right? Had the weekly level there. Massive move off of that level, which is quite interesting. It reacted that majorly, right? I mean, obviously, the weekly level, very significant price. It's rejected hard on the ETH there a few times. But it, you know, reacting almost to a T off there is pretty awesome. Didn't even go up to hit 4, which is crazy. Bro, don't want to lose on his prediction. Nah, I mean, dude, that's pretty much where we were. Usually we go 2 hours. We have an hour and what, like 15 minutes or something, I think. That's pretty close to where we do it. All right. What's going on? Stocks are dumping. Is there a war kicking off as we speak? Yo, Allison. Excuse me? Guys, let's just do this real quick. Let's just click the weekly chart here. Let's go to the NQ. Let's go to the hold on, I'm gonna just keep doing this. Let's go to the ES. Let's go to gold. Let's go to Solana. I mean, come on, guys. Seriously, we're good. We're okay right now. A lot of you look at very small time frames. I get it. Today's a red day, right? Yesterday was a red day as well. Okay. I mean, Bitcoin specifically likes to move in this amount of percentages, right? We had the insane Monday rally. We're getting another sell-off today. Where does it close today? That's the key. The key is where it closes, right? The key is where it closes today, okay? The key is where it closes. I mean, gold is the only one that's like, you know, the daily sauce at a major. Hey, Marlon said ETH didn't hit my limit at 4K. Should have plotted the level we talked about yesterday. Should have plotted it. I know we did talk about 4K as well yesterday, but should have plotted it. Bitcoin target right now, man. The problem is I can't close this until we hit the 2-hour mark on Bitcoin predictions. Sadly, that's just how this one goes. All right, we're back on track. Ethereum, really, guys, this week is closing over this price here, 37,296. Let's just say 37.30. Closed over 37.30 on the weekly. I'd be very happy for this week. We got 3 hours, 6 hours left. Should we do predict again? No. But yeah, watching to see if it can close this week over 37.30 would be big. It wicked that high price yet again from that weekly level, and after, if it breaks through that, guys, we got room to go. We'll talk about that once it does actually break. But Solana, let's go jump to that, and we're gonna look at gold. Okay. After Solana, we're gonna look at gold. Solana, we want to see. We got 5 hours left. I would really like to see today close over 174.37. Right. If it can close over 174.37, I'll be pretty happy on that front. But right now, if we take a pivotal move from where we're at now, we got plenty of downside to create a higher low to make a nice structural move, right? This thing extended quite nicely on the oscillator as well here, as you can see. If it comes down, respects above 70. If the oscillator just comes down and respects anywhere above this high, it's going to make that continuation pretty easily. So for now, there's not really much to stress about other than watching to see where Solana potentially bounces. Daily time frame though looks so clean. The weekly, we've discussed a million times. The structure was so nice. This week, I just want to close over last week's high of 176. Just say that. If we can close above 176, we'll be good. I think into the following week, maybe go hit that 200 again. The 198 we got marked off on the weekly level, like always. But this area right now, NeoCloud, it is coming back to potentially test that NeoCloud. I'm going to go to 18 sensitivity as told in the dashboard down here. You had the 4 signal testing the NeoCloud and that imbalance. Let me look at the money flow. Money flow profile. I know it's all the way down there, but I'm gonna drop this to like 50 so we can get just the current range we're in. Let me do a little bit more. Let's do 100. See if it gets back to like here. Let's do 75. I just want to see the. There you go. Boom. So this current area, quite interesting because lots of volume sitting right here at 150, right? Before when it made that breaking move. Not much volume up here, right? There's a decent amount. As you can see, it started to peak. You're getting a little bit of yellow peek through, but the sentiment was in either direction, which is interesting. So back over 174, right? We did consolidate, so it makes sense that the sentiment is on both sides. So we'll see kind of where it's going to react here around this 174 from the weekly level. But testing this price right now is not bad either. The fact that it came right here off of the 170. Honestly, over 170, regardless, I'm happy. Even if it goes down to 164, I'm happy. So long as it holds overall on the daily above 160 for the next few days, right, then the structure will be in play. The 50% retracement level is right at 163. So the other, this range here to the 618 is right below the 160. So Solana, that's going to hold that price. It's just making that pullback for potentially its next move. So it's just something to sit on and wait. Sit on and wait. BK, if the ETF does fully get approved, make sure you ping me in it, okay? Just send me the link or whatever that we tweeted about. I know there's a lot of talks, and Gary said something earlier about it, but I don't think it's been fully approved unless it happens live on stream. But BK will keep us updated. BKAI will keep us updated. NASDAQ, massive day where it was actually gapped up big time with Nvda, right? Nvda, the biggest talk of the town right now. Massive rally, 10-12% right now. It might be back down a little bit from last time it looked 9%. Big deal. The NASDAQ, though, coming back down off of that gap, pretty much hit 19K and dropped off. Honestly, there's another Hoosier Daddy because I know we discussed NASDAQ hitting 19K or running for the 19K mark, especially if it bounced off this low and potentially made a continuation through the all-time high. 19K was an easy sight to have your eyes on for sure. The ES, not so much, just because the NASDAQ, man, Nvidia has such a big pull on it. But the ES did break out as well, hit above 5360. But nothing significant like 19,000 or anything like we saw on the NASDAQ. So quite a nice move also on the ES coming off of this high as well. We'll see. Guys, one more time. Seriously, one more time. Seriously, look at this. One more time, right? ES, very lovely 7-8% correction or 6-7% correction, right? Let's count the green days, okay? Because, again, we know overall stonks only go up, right? Stonks honestly only go up. We know that for a fact overall. But at some time, stonk gotta go down before stonk gotta go up, right? We can even put it into caveman terms if you want. Must come down before go up sometimes, okay? So again, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 green days in a row. Almost 11, 12, 13, 14, but 10. Okay. When is the last time that you saw the SP 500 have 10 green days in a row? Even in a strong uptrend, there's not 10 green days in a row. Right? Even there's not even 10 bearish days in a row. Like, just go back in time. Maybe the last time I had 10 bearish days was like during, COVID, probably. Here's 10 green days back in 2021 when I was recovering from COVID. And it hit that all-time high run. I don't even know if that's 10. But having 10 green days in a row, I mean, that's unheard of. That doesn't happen often, okay? So that's why I'm sitting here saying, you know what, you guys just take a breather. We hit all-time highs. Let's just come off the highs a bit. When we get these pullbacks, to be honest, these are opportunities to make that move higher. Opportunities for us to potentially get a better price just to go long, okay? Did you just say, this guy coming in on the TikTok said, did you just say stocks always go up? Just wow. Best of luck. The amount of people that take things way too seriously is so funny. I love it. I love it. What's your opinion on gold? We're about to go over gold in a second as well. But yeah, that's NASDAQ, guys. Again, now we're the ES and NASDAQ. All right. Okay, hold on really quickly, guys. Really, really quickly. Guy said, did you just say stocks always go up? All right, hold on. I mean, unless we're in a very extreme depression or a recession, I mean, I think that theory overall is viable, right? Stocks only go up, right? For the most part. You can't not disagree. Buy and hold, baby. Either way, guys. It's just, I mean, it's one of those things. It's one of those things. It's funny when people freak out about days that were red when we just hit an all-time high. All right, let's keep going. SP is getting what you saw on Wolf of Wall Street, straight down. All right. Somebody said gold. Let's go to gold. I'm glad that Bitcoin's bouncing a little bit. All right. Let's go to gold. So the bummer about gold is we had a potential short opportunity and we actually ended up not getting the setup. There is a potential that it still sets up though, because remember, for our ideal setup, we need the structure to form on the oscillator. So this is actually very extended. It's down to 4 now. If you get that bearish turning point and then we get our if we get that bullish turning point down here and then we get our next bearish one up here, we would still, consider that short. All right. So waiting to see if that, bearish structure does come into play on the oscillator would be really nice. But we did end up breaking this higher low, this swing point. Remember we discussed yesterday that I would like to see if it's going to hold this area. Didn't. Makes sense. It already broke through that previous high, and it broke through that previous higher low. So makes sense that it kind of flushed those levels on gold here. But this is now testing that 23% order block that has evened out in volume. Remember yesterday there was more sellers and buyers, or more buyers and sellers there, meaning that the buyers might have been exhausted, which pretty much is saying that it kind of was. I'm kind of curious because we were roughly around here, right? Yeah, so there was more buyers and sellers, right? So price now getting sold through that level. Same thing down here. So I honestly, if anything, besides targeting where this level that we were in now, I'd be targeting, man, there's not much. 23.30 on gold right now, coming right back down to 23.30. That'd probably be a good target. The low right now is almost that exact price. But at some point, this thing is very extended. It's going to have to make a breather. Shorts are going to have to cover a bit. And then we'll look for that opportunity if it presents itself. But we just got to be patient and wait for that opportunity, right? When it comes to the money flow, let's put up the range to default again. Here you go. High volume area right now. It's approaching. Makes sense, right? Well, we literally just talked about dead center. Guess what? Is 23.30, like we just said. So it makes a lot of sense. A lot of competing factors happening right now. A lot of competition. right? A lot of competition at this level. But right now, I think 23.30 hits before we see anything else. But it is due for some take profits. All right, so you'll probably see some take profits at some point, unless some more breaking news comes out on saying, like, you know, war is picking up or whatever it may be. Pretty much war is going to drive gold as crazy as it did before, so we'll keep an eye on it. And that's when you'll get your rebound. Okay, so besides that, money flow. Yeah, watch the 23.30. Hopefully we can get that and then maybe get a little bit of rebound, and then we'll get potentially our bearish setup on the oscillator. That's just a matter of patience. But for now on the daily as well here, I mean, if we even look at just what we've been looking at, this is just now touching the NEO, right? It's just now touching that NEO cloud. So today touching the NEO, again, when you're inside the NEO cloud, it's a no trade zone. So in this case, for a bigger trend, you know, state, when it's in a no trade zone, not really anything to be concerned about. We just need to kind of wait it out, see if it wants to rebound or if it actually wants to come break a daily swing. That's just a matter of time as well. What, price action concepts? What about it? All right. But that's gold for you guys. Yeah, still would be bearish on gold, and I want to see a bearish setup. Could be really clean, actually. So we'll keep a close eye on it, going about it as well. And also we did get this right here. We did get a nice bearish NEO cloud. So that's kind of where it would line up, is right before where this structure was respected. It could get re-respected to the downside now. So let's see where it heads from here. There's potential. The trend could happen. Trend could happen, which would be exactly what we want. So we'll definitely wait and see on that one for gold. But from gold, let's jump over to so that was Bitcoin. I was gonna see, did our stop hit on TRB? I think we're still in it. Crude oil. Oh, our the rune filled, by the way. TP2 hit, but then rune filled. Crude oil here on the daily. Remember, we're still targeting the 75, right? So for that last bit, we're targeting 75, or yeah, 75 there. 17 sensitivity. So just keep an eye on that. I got 75.01. It's not really a big deal. So let's target 75 for that. And then, yeah, I would say right now, though, if this closes under that, by the way, if price today closes under this past low on crude oil, right? If it closes under this and mitigates this order block, if it mitigates that order block down there, closes, I would honestly stop above that daily wick high. Because if it goes and actually takes out that daily wick high again, then it more than likely is going to actually confirm this level that it doesn't want to go much lower. So we'll keep an eye on that here in the next few days, see what it does. Our TRB trade is definitely red today with the rest. I was going to see where it's at. Oh, actually, it's getting bought back up. TRB, remember on the oscillator, we're still chilling above the 50 level, right? On TRB. So watching to see if that makes its continuation. What sucks is, too, we had on that first initial day, it actually come up and hit a high of 127. It was $1 from our first take profit there, which is kind of a bummer. But in this case, structure's still in play. You know, strategy's still in play here. It's going to be interesting, guys. Another one here, because with the normal strategy, the difference here between this and the crude oil to the short side is that it set a higher low, right? Crude oil didn't. Crude oil just broke through, right? So it didn't even set a lower high. So at this point, you know, we've had on the strategy 2 failed trades out of like 15. And all of the failed ones have been ones where it didn't just immediately move in a single direction, right? So see, moved in a single direction, and it played out very nicely, right? TRB, setups. TRB, like we just said, right here, it set a higher low. Instead of playing out from here and going all the way and extending, it hit and it made a higher low before it made that extension on the oscillator. So we'll see. You know, we got everything in place for the structural point here. So we'll keep an eye on it, see if it gets back up. Yesterday, it closed back up over our entry price. So we'll see going up to like the 128 again. Rune, which is quite interesting because Rune actually, I meant to not even take this entry because it already hit our TP1 and 2. Remember, the TP1 was at $7, and then the next one was at the 732, which hit exactly like we said. This thing ended up getting filled. We'll see. We'll see what it does if it can actually close up over this 629 here. But I mean, if it does, then we'll trade the rest with you guys if you got filled on the original position. But yeah, going for this right now, that 733 was money. So great job if you got out at 7 and then 732. Okay. But besides that, again, the crude oil 75. And then TRB, we're watching to see if it holds back up going into tomorrow. All right. Crude oil opportunity, but location 74. I like that. You like the 74 there too? 74. All right. All right. Let's go ahead and Jacob thinks it's Call of Duty Mobile. I just saw your comment, Dame. That's awesome. All right. There was one other one that I wanted to take a look at. Oh yeah. Let's look at Sui because we saw this yesterday. Was it a 4-hour? Yeah, it was a 4-hour. No. It was the daily. Dang, that's a bummer. Daily didn't end up playing out. Let's look at any other setups. I'm going to get rid of these stocks. Ooh. Gold actually had a setup, but whatever. I'm going to get rid of the stocks really quickly. Oh, wait. Hershey, though. I'm going to leave Hershey up because this is clean. This is what I was saying about extension. Extending from here to here. We need one more turning point for that entry. Bid you. Similar situation where it just like it didn't have a downtrend going into it. So turning point up here didn't end up playing out so far, but it's in a range as well. So it's interesting to see. And then, gosh, dude, I wish coffee would have had that setup. The coffee looked really good, to be honest. Coffee looked good. Take coffee off. All right. Let's go over the euro. Probably following as well. I need to pull up the other thing again. I'll get this one. All right. Euro, man, coming right into that zone. I want to see if it can respect 108. Remember, man, today, wow, today it had a good morning. Wow, had a really good morning and ended up coming off of that. That sucks. Or maybe overnight session. Man, I went up to 108.6 again. Look at where that rejected. Holy crap. Daily there. The high there was 106.10. 106.08 we have marked off from this open close high. We can just put it there. That's nuts. Wicked. Right back down. 4 hour. I mean, lower high set there. Still continuing lower. We got structure down here. Targeting now 108, guys. 108 on the dot, on the nose for the euro. That's what I would be looking for right now. Indicators you're seeing on my chart right now: price action concept, signals and overlays, and the oscillator matrix. All right. We'll go back to ETH here. Is it back? Green on the day, barely. I can't believe that hit our level that easily. Notice I had to hit the like again. Yeah, I'm going to just say we hit it. I mean, unless you guys can get it up there. Oh, wait, we got time? Yo, guys, come on. Tomorrow, $300 giveaway. Do you want it? Do you really want it? If you want it, hit the like button. Let's get up to 100 likes. Come on, seriously. We can do this. We can rebound from our stream crash or whatever. Power crash. Power surge. Hit the like button. Let's get 100 likes today, and we will do a $300 giveaway tomorrow. When is the ETF approval? Well, that's kind of what we're waiting on, right? Let's see here. Ooh. There you go. Spot ETF approval began at 3:45 p.m. Eastern. So 2:45 Eastern would be right now. So let's keep a close eye on it. Let's keep a very close eye on it. Gensler received pressure from 5 lawmakers to approve ETFs for the Ethereum. So, come on, baby. Maybe get an update here shortly. It's literally hitting that time right now. Very likely. We want it. We want it. We're ready. We're ready. Let's see. Our Twitter team's got gold coming down to what? 2,300. That's what we were talking about earlier. 2,300 there. We broke that channel as well. But come on, Ethereum. Let's get back up. Guys, let's hit that like button. Get 100 likes tomorrow. We'll do a $300 giveaway. You just got to join the stream. You do have to be subbed. You want to be a part of that giveaway tomorrow, okay? All right, guys. You want anything specific analyzed, throw it in the chat. Let's go over it. Let's get it. Come on. What you want. What you want to see, throw it in the chat. We'll go over it. Uranium? Come on, crypto. Oh, no. I'm going to drink some water. That's not water. XAU, look at him already. We literally went over it 2 seconds ago. Bitcoin, come on. I'm going to start with AGIX there. Somebody mentioned. I haven't seen this one in a minute. The weekly is just so nice on this. AGIX weekly, guys. 80 cents. 80 cents right now, watching that level, I would say. From its weekly candle now on the weekly, it's trying to confirm that it's bouncing off of that. Turning point there would be very nice. But a dollar. Remember the dollar mark. The dollar mark's always key here. Broke through a dollar, had a reject right off that as well, 110. So, again, I mean, structure-wise, you need to get over 117 here on AGIX, maybe get some continuations. We went over Solana earlier, but I love me some Solana. We're just watching today to close over 174 if it can. If not, we have plenty of room. It just needs to be above 160 here the next few days. Continue to trade above it. Where is that energy drink? Oh, this is the booty drink. Oh, it's blending. Algo. Your name's Pump and Dump, and you want Algo? That's tough, man. Pump and Dump. OP. I haven't looked at OP in a few days. Man, gotta get over $3 on OP. Look at that wick that again. Look. Don't tell me weekly levels don't freaking work. Okay? Do not ever tell me weekly levels don't work, okay? All right, $3. $3. Let's zoom in here. I mean, seriously. Don't ever tell me weekly levels don't work. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Compared to your analysis, look at that lower high set in. Bop. Bop! Algo. Fine art said Algo as well. All right. Since the pump and dump guy didn't say it, there someone else said it besides it. Oh, buddy. Oh, yikes. Okay, I'm not a fan of this one. First off, look at it. Who would be a fan of this one? But let's go jump into the lower timers. If you believe in this one, guess what? This is your time to potentially pick up some. If that's something you've been wanting to do, you buy it here. And that you just buy it and you just pray to the crypto gods that it's going to go up to that price one day again. Man, this thing failed its breakout, sadly. For the daily, though. Gosh. Daily, I mean, to get into play, to literally become a potential mover again, you got to get through 23. And also, you got to just get through this freaking high volume profile. You got to get through the freaking 20s. Like, get into 20s and then you like it. Otherwise, it's probably going to go lower. Please say 2 best indicators for gold, price action concepts, and the offsetter matrix. I mean, I'm not going to be. Why are YouTube traders saying they short ETH at 4,200? Yo, Fabio, what? Price never hit 4,200. Are they saying when it gets there? Saying when it gets there? Hold on. I gotta freaking... Bet down. Nah, we're still looking good on Bitcoin. How much oscillator cost? You got risk-free for 30 days there if you're a first-time user. You can monthly or yearly. If you come on Friday, sometimes we do big discounts, but it's not this Friday. It's not going to happen. Guys, come on. Come on, gentlemen. Let's freaking... We have 175 people in the main YouTube stream. If you want to do a $300 giveaway tomorrow, hit the like button. Let's get 100 likes right now. And make sure you are subbed if you want to be a part of it, the giveaway tomorrow as well, okay? Do a render quick review. Oh, wait, yeah, we need to see if render popped off because of Nvidia. Didn't. What did we say? What did we say yesterday? We said maybe? Like, it's kind of like a, oh? Oh? I didn't see what was going on. Yeah, no. You giveaway is a scam. Why do you say that? Monk, why do you say that? I reached out to everybody, guys. If you didn't respond to me, then I don't know what to tell you. I reached out to everybody over the weekend, if not on Mondays, okay? So make sure you check your DMs again. Why would you give free money? Nobody would do that. Hold on. Wait. Nobody gives out free money? Hold on. Errors in the chat for that man. So I guess I blacklist him, right? I should blacklist that guy. Blacklist Monk. What? Dude. Do we have to hit the like again? Yeah, Brad, you gotta hit the like again. Come on, brother. Yo, what? Nobody gives out free money. Kyle knows what's up. Kyle knows what's up. Kyle knows what's up. Kyle, I'll let you tell him. What do you think about ETH today? ETH was money. First off, guys, if you were here at yesterday's stream, we plotted, or I mean, it's been plotted for days. This is why you tune into the daily stream. 39.27 is what we plotted for a price target. Again, one of my favorite tricks of all time is going to the weekly time frame, looking for significant past pivotal points. Notice off of this level, even though it was back in 2021, right? It happened twice. Look at the major reactions on a weekly. This weekly reaction, the first time it ever touched this level on Ethereum, this thing reacted in 2 weeks over 40%. It hit a high of like 50%. It had a 50% reaction. And then it went up again, same exact level, right? Had a 32% reaction, right? Then, watch, off of the 39.27, right? Just recently, when we hit and made this next move up, right? If we were just talking about that level, this thing had off of it a 27% reaction. If we go to the daily today, look at how this level yet again was respected. Sometimes it can just come down to it being that easy. You just have to zoom out, okay? Everybody always, guys, if you want to be successful at trading, I promise you majority of the traders that are successful in today's market, honestly, probably 99.9% of them are looking at higher time frames before they consider any lower time frame setups. I promise you. If you're following the higher time frame moves, if you're even just using higher time frame for potential price targets as well, it's going to help you out 10 times over. You can identify levels that previously have shown a history of whether it's selling or buying or whatever. But again, it's just one of those things where we're all looking at the same crap here, guys. You got to think on the same level as everybody else. On the daily, people have sold at this price. Why would they not do it again? Okay? Why would they not do it again? Can you see crypto on trading view? Yes, that's what you're seeing right now. Setting for SMC algo indicator? What do you mean? What a pith is going on? What in the pith? Why are you trying to find a pattern? What? What are you talking about, Monk? Why would they do... Okay. Monk's all over the map. How low do we fall? How low can you go? Can you go down low? But yeah, in this case, guys, man, ETH back up over 37. Man, back in the green today. It was just right a second ago. We're waiting to see on the news updates. Remember, 3:45 Eastern, which just happened, was when the Bitcoin ETF got approved. Do we have anything yet? Let's see. Let me refresh. Nothing yet. So we're likely today, right? Today's the deadline. So we'll see what time, potentially today we get that update on everything going on. So we're just kind of waiting that out as well. ETH green on the day, though. If you were here on yesterday's stream too, which is awesome, we literally drew this box like that. I mean, this is like pretty clean price action on impulses, especially if you see a day where it comes back and then closes back above a significant level. Usually the second day it makes a breakout move. What's the name of the order block indicator? That's the price action concepts. But we're just waiting. Why don't we do Pepe anymore? We're gonna bring Pepe back. Don't worry. The camera's off right now. We'll do Pepe again. But for now, just with the everything going on with the ETFs and whatever's happening in the market. Yo, I swear, if Bitcoin goes more today, we got a little less than an hour left. I gotta go shut. Hold on. We laid the studio floor today, guys. Give me like 5 seconds. Goodness, wait a second. Give me 5 seconds. I gotta go run down and do something. Goodness gracious. Okay, I'll be right back. Give me 5 seconds, okay? And then we're gonna go over. Just keep an eye on Ethereum here. Let's see if we can get up and rally. I'll be right back. I'm literally gonna be back in 5 seconds. Maybe like 10 seconds. 1 second. All right, we back. We're back. Let's get it. 1, 2. Look at you counting. What are you guys counting for? What are you guys counting for? I can't breathe. I had to run up and down the stairs. I think ETHE will go to 36. That's a good question. That's a good question. We'll keep an eye on it for sure. It was denied. Is Monk just trying to spill nonsense? I said 5 seconds. I said maybe 10 seconds after that. Come on, give me a break. Goodness gracious. All right. So on the ETH analysis, though, guys, remember next level after this is all the way up to that 4650, right? So we have this open close high up here that we'll be plotting, or we're going to be watching for like 4600. So that would be the next move I'd be looking for, if anything. What's up, Ron? How you doing, man? Welcome back. But you didn't say nothing about render. Anyway, going to 4600 would be that next target to that upside. So again, this week though, all I want to do is close over this previous sweeping move, right? The sweeping move here was 37.29. We can close over that white line there at 37.29. I think next week we get that continuation, possibly breaking through 4K again. But we had that target point, right? We had the 39.27 target point that we've been watching for a while. So we're going to continue to watch it. Now, 4-hour time frame here. Lovely getting bought back up here. I'm really worried about Bitcoin now. Remember, we said Bitcoin more than likely is going to retest these lows from retest these highs today, and it did nicely. But again, I can't close it. I can't click the button till Bitcoin predictions in 45 minutes. So pray we're sitting at less still, my friends. We're sitting at less still. But right now, man, I'm liking where we're at though on ETH. I like that we broke out and we came back up. If we can close over this BOS here at 3,800, we could probably get that 4K moving to tomorrow. Money flow setting? You're talking about the money flow profile? That's just on default, man. Money flow profile is just on default. I mean, dude, that's such a bummer. The 4-hour turning point here was so clean. And it made the breaking move. We just got a bearish turning point, though, conflicting with it. I mean, if it's above, though, if we're above the 50 here, and price is going to continue to hold 3,700, I think you'll just probably get another one and then make its move. I mean, if this thing's below that extended period, though, I don't see why Ethereum couldn't continue from here as long as the news is still in line with everything going on. Hey, BK, if breaking news does happen, feel free to just spam the link, okay? If we have a link to it, okay? I bet he doesn't even have a position. You just go to the chart and say nothing. On what? 4.6K. That's the upside target is 4,600. If we break out of the 4K level and actually break it, we'll spam. You talking about render? Okay. All right. Relax with the render comments. Come on, brother. All right, we can talk about render. Goodness gracious. Okay. First off, render did create that turning point 3 days ago. Went up and actually broke, but swept the highs, right? So that's the only bummer part of this. Besides that, though, I mean, this thing from the high literally has created pretty clean resistance above 10. I've talked about render, and I've literally said that we are going to probably hold up over 10, and we're going to be watching that $10 price. We're still continuously bouncing off 10. So we'll see if we get the render run off 10. Do you think they're going to approve? Yes, but I do have a potential. I do think that they're going to potentially have it already priced in, though, to ETH, even if they approve it. I mean, they kind of have to at this point, right? Guys, you hear the rumor, though, after ETH, the next thing potentially on the list is a Solana ETF? Don't turn into the Hulk. Above $10, man. If no decision by 4, it will dump. I mean, all that leaves off, bro, if there's no decision, which, again, today's the deadline anyway, so we'll hear something more than likely. Yes, Mo, still in the TRB. It's still within the structure. It closed above our entry yesterday. Still trading. If Bitcoin ends up more, stream was interrupted. Literally, right? If it does, that'd be nuts. Yeah, for render, though, $10, man. If it can hold over that, we'll watch to see where it goes from there. I'm not really, I mean, weekly candle, I would like it to close up around 1082. Then you can kind of show that it wants to compete with those previous weeks where it opened and closed. Probably get that continuation as well from there into the following week. But, man, ETH actually making pretty decent moves here on the daily. ETH, I mean, so long as Ethereum can actually break and close over yesterday's high of 3813, we'll probably get a, potential breakout of 4K tomorrow, especially if we get some update here soon. But yeah, there was rumors about Solana being next on the docket for ETF, which would be awesome. But man, we're mega bullish on Solana. What time is approval? Well, remember the Bitcoin one, as stated, was at 3:45 Eastern. It's 4 Eastern right now. So, or sorry, it's 3 Eastern right now. So never mind. I'm dumb. I had the time way off. I was like, what is it? So we got about 45 minutes. That's kind of the time. I mean, we'll be on here for another 45 minutes, so we'll see around that time. We got about 45 minutes till 3:45 Eastern. That's what it happened before. So we'll be keeping an eye on it. You guys want to go over, if you want to go over anything specific today, guys, real quick though, please, I would very much recommend if you enjoy the stream to subscribe. But tomorrow we're going to be doing a $300 giveaway. So if you want to be a part of that, you have to be subbed for 1. And then 2, you have to hit the like button. We got to get 100 likes. So we got 300 people in here right now. Hit that like button. And make sure you rejoin the main stream that you're in. If you're in the stream with everybody chatting, then that is the main stream. Make sure you go ahead and hit the like button and sub if you want to be a part of the $300 giveaway tomorrow. Just come back though tomorrow. Can we go over the money flow profile? Yeah, we can talk about it. I mean, it's pretty straightforward, man. It's like a regular profile based on a certain amount of bars, right? So it's 200 bars. In this case, it's giving you the highest volume on the right, where your highest volume has come from, which is back here, based on its calculation in that range, right? But then also it just gives you sentiment. So what like at this level, there's been more buyers before, but that doesn't mean there's still going to be buyers there, right? It could be buyers exhausted, so you might get, like today, sellers at that level right here. So it's just one of those things where you can say either way. Like down here, if we retrace on this to ETH back to this level here, we could see buyers step in because maybe sellers are exhausted because there was a bunch of sellers there before. SEC news scheduled before or after Bitcoin prediction time. Huh? How about? We can go touch on gold again. Gold, we're still waiting on a potential short setup. Looking something like this on the oscillator. Ooh, there you go, that way. Haven't gotten it yet. So we're waiting on that potential setup with the lower high there. Just has to create a bearish or bullish turning point there on the extended period. But for now, I mean, all we were saying is I really think this thing can hit 2330. So if it hits 2330, then you'll probably right now start seeing some rebound. Because watch this. Watch money flow profile here. Boom. See, this is literally where the high volume is. And not even because of that. It's like this level. I mean, it makes sense why this level. It's just this level is a very big competition on who owns it, right? You got a lot of trading activity through it, but also support and then pretty strong resistance as well. So we're going to see who takes it out. We had a massive amount of sell imbalances to the downside into this level, so you'll probably see buyers take it. But we'll see. Yeah, we're watching the ETH ETF as well. Don't worry, man. We're all over the board. We are waiting on news, potentially in 45 minutes. Potentially in 45 minutes or a little bit less, 40 minutes. Because the Bitcoin ETF, I mean, it won't be like they release it at the same exact time or anything, but it'll be pretty close. It could be pretty close. Today's like decision day, right? Today is decision day. 1 second. What's the news? That's what we're waiting on. That's what we are waiting on right now to see. Result time. I mean, if it's similar to Bitcoin, it'd be in about 50. No, sorry, in about 30 minutes, 35 minutes, if anything. But we're just watching ETH. I mean, we're watching the weekly candle. We got a few days, but or a few days on that weekly to close properly. But today, I really want to close at least around 3,800, if not higher. Then tomorrow we can maybe see that 4K move. What does what mean? Where will the news be shown? You'll see it on Twitter. Probably the best place to get up-to-date news. Also, follow our Twitter, guys. We are literally minutes from any big news reports that come out. Make sure you follow the Twitter. FOMC we released, man. The FOMC minutes yesterday we released within 2 minutes of like the report. So like, I would follow our Twitter if you want updates. But again, we keep you also updated throughout the day on estimated times too for like ETF approval. But again, pretty much gonna happen. I'd be shocked if it didn't. But anything can happen, my friends. We're in a crazy world right now. I'm bored watching Bitcoin on the 1 second chart. Yeah, dude, this can be close again. We literally got 35 minutes to keep the less than. Because, again, it's respecting on Bitcoin those highs there. High 67K. Remember, 67 we watched for that retracement. What's nice is from its recent swing, I mean, that literally lines up perfectly to start that golden pocket bounce. We'll see if it plays it or not. But it's a matter of time. Bitcoin and ETH both going down. What is happening? Just look at the weekly chart and then you'll take a breather. There you go. It's not going down. That'll help you out. Just if you're ever like you see a red day in something and it's like making you nervous, just look at the weekly chart. See if it's worth being nervous about. But the daily here, literally, it's you know, it's still that Monday pump was so massive on Bitcoin. It's like kind of just waiting to see if we get the bounce here on this structural point or not. Right? We gotta watch these highs here. Beautiful inverse head and shoulders, though. One of the best patterns in the game to send Bitcoin into that next move to 72K. This could be a really good reset to get Bitcoin through an all-time high, so watch that. And then, obviously, ETH had that 25% two-day move. Approval will definitely mean pump. That's a hard thing to talk about, right? That's a hard thing to talk about. Hey, everybody actually won. Because... Right, it's like we had a 26% move on the ETF update, right? We had an update of it getting approved, like a 75% potential approval, right? And when that happened, look at the reaction. We had 23%. If we looked at closing and opening prices, so like, is it priced in? Is it not? That's the question. This dump is pricing in the pump. Yeah, honestly, it very well could be. Will it be approved? Absolutely. At this point, I'd be shocked if it doesn't. I mean, it very well could be, but like, there's so much pressure on the SEC to approve it. I mean, they could literally pull. They could rug pull. I mean, we've seen rug pull. Everybody's been rug pull at this point, especially with meme coins. But it's like 5 lawmakers, like 5 ETFs they're trying to like approve, right? So it's like, it's just a matter of watching that and waiting to see the report. Y'all will see in the chat here. We'll spam the report. Our mods will put the report in the main chat once it comes out, or if it comes out here soon. I doubt it gets approved. What? Come on, Monk. Monk's just trying to stir the pot. Goodness gracious. After pump, it's big dumping. It's only up, 1% today. It's big dumping, though. Tia. What time, sir, for spot ETF? The ETF update for Bitcoin was 3:45 Eastern. So we got about, I don't know, like less than 30 minutes. Approve or reject for ETF ETH? Yeah, so that's what we're waiting on here. More than likely approved, though. Got a lot of pressure on approval. You check gold. Chris wants gold from TikTok. You guys want to look at gold here for a second again for the 100th time? Yeah, we're kind of waiting to see. Here. Gold, we're just watching 23.30. I want to see 23.30 first, and then we might get a move. Is future trading easier than this? What do you mean? They're all about the same. The decision is in 30 minutes, potentially less than 30 minutes. The reason we're saying 30 minutes is because of when the Bitcoin ETF got approved. It was at 3:45, right? It began, at least. So we literally got a little bit less than 30. We're just waiting, and you'll get updated here. Gary can pack his bags if rejected. Honestly, though. Oh, Gary. We love you. Just kidding. Good old Gary. So, yeah, we'll keep an eye on it. We'll be keeping an eye on it. The other thing, remember, the House passed a bill preventing the Federal Reserve from issuing a CBDC, the central bank digital currency, which is pretty awesome. We don't want a central bank digital currency. Come on. We need like UDSC or something, baby. Come on. But besides that, remember we had the whatever report yesterday. Or that got approved. But now just waiting on the ETF. Grab your popcorn and just wait. ETF will be delayed and ETH can't be traded immediately. Yeah, I got you, Mohammed. Don't worry, man. I got you. We'll keep an eye on it. Man, this guy in the other chat spamming freaking, what's it called? Guys, tomorrow we're going to be doing a $300 giveaway here on stream, okay? If you want to be a part of that giveaway, All you have to do is hit the sub button, and I would very much appreciate if you hit that like button. We need to hit 100 likes if you guys want to have that giveaway tomorrow. One more time. Seriously, if you want to have the giveaway tomorrow, we need to hit 100 likes. We're literally at 89, and there's 380 of you in here, so you better smash the like button right now. Come on, brother. Won't be traded immediately. Yeah, no, it's not gonna be traded immediately. I think the Bitcoin ETS was like a week or less. It doesn't take long to get on the actual exchange. I haven't even looked at the IBIT. I haven't looked at the IBIT chart in a while. Yo, that's actually pretty cool. It's interesting to see the gaps because of the session gaps. The best part is, did they release options yet for IBIT? Is there even options for it? Are they going to even offer that? They might not even offer that. Any of the... I think the only other one that has... Yeah. I think the only other one has... maybe like one or two of them do. Is GBTC or whatever? BK, does that have options? I heard it will be rejected in 2-week approval. I mean, I haven't seen anything yet. Yeah, I can, I'll put him in timeout there. Sorry about that. I got you, the problem. I got you. Yeah, I blocked him, YY. Sorry about that. I got you. I'm sure someday they'll approve options on him. Yo, Haim, if you tuned in yesterday, and if you're in 90K at 95K in profit, you're insane. If you're holding for the long term, man, I would chill. But if you tuned in yesterday, we talked about that 39.27 level. It literally today hit a high of 39.47. That was our target. The fact that it literally almost wicked it exactly is insane. But all that came from, again, was that weekly level, guys. Weekly level plots, especially for long terms. I always use the weekly level to buy, get good buys for long term, like with Solana and stuff. We watched, so like Solana we picked some up at 121. If you're on stream with us for the long term. Now Solana's a long term buy for me, 5-10 years on Solana, but 121 was that price. All it came from was this pivotal daily high. Very significant pivotal high. This thing it pumped to 121 and then, sold off, right? And then it took forever to get back to even get there. But when you see a big reaction off something, always a good level to plot. Usually you'll have a same reaction. We had that same reaction off that on Solana. It's trading at 171 now. So my Huddle Gang members know what's up, man. That's why you tune in every day. Get yourself good levels for the long term. If you're buying long term there and you're in 95K profit, dude, I would just hold it, to be honest. If you're like itching to get out though, like if something like you're really not wanting to, I would take probably 50% of your position, and then I would set just like your stop loss at like 3,600. I would set a stop at like 3,600, or like somewhere below these daily lows of these past few days. And then just let the rest ride, and then hold the rest. Did it get released? And said, "Oh my God, ETFs are approved." BTBP. We're waiting on the release, man. I'm always afraid to refresh my feed. Good gosh. Who the hell would do that? Guys, don't short Nvidia. Trust me. Don't short Nvidia. That was the dumbest thing you could have ever done. Dumbest thing you could have ever done. Athenia. I was accumulating since 2022 all the way. Now I'm almost up 300%. I'm itching to get some profit, but greed is on my mind. Haha. I'm 60% Bitcoin, 20% Sol, 50% ETH. Yo, that's a good balance, Haim. Though I'm glad you're heavy on Bitcoin and then heavy on Solana. That's awesome, man. That's exactly. I'm pretty much the exact same percentage as you on those. You think ETF will sell the news? That's kind of what we're waiting on. I don't know, man. The sell the news portion is iffy. I think it could just stay where it's at. I don't think it's going to get much reaction at all. It could be priced in. That's kind of what we're waiting on. Nvidia long due to high demand in AI. Oh yeah, man. Nvidia earnings were insane. 26 billion in a quarter. 26 billion in revenue in one quarter. What? I mean, of course it's valued over $1,000 now. I'm getting that 10-to-1 split too. Yo, Fabio. Dude, that's awesome though. Congrats, man. Congrats, man. That's insane. You're killing it. $1K sold at the end of the bull run. Dude, nice. Wait, what happened, Chris? Sorry, I'm literally, guys, I'm looking at like about 5-6 chats right now, okay? So you just got to bear with me on reading everybody's messages. We're live on every platform right now. Like live on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, everything. So I'm going to try to keep up with everybody's questions as much as I can. ENA, sell the news already happened. Yeah, I mean that's the thing. It's like, guess what? ETF guys, ETF rumors. I mean, not rumors. ETF 75% approval, right? It happened here, and then we got this mega pump, 23% mover, right? Hey, Orlando, if you're in the main YouTube stream, you'll see when we get the news. Plus, we're about 20 minutes away. But 23% move, it's like, I mean, I don't think it'd move much off of it, right? I don't think it'd move much more. Let's see what Twitter's doing. Yeah, oh, Fed says we may need to be more patient for rate cuts. I mean, again, rate cuts, man, it's not happening this year. Everybody, like, every major head just has said it at this point. 75 billion asset manager Bernstein says ETH will reach 6,600 after spot ETF approval. That's freaking crazy. Like 6,600. Let's just get to 4,600 first, guys. Like 60. That's nuts. Like who in the world? 6,600, guys. There you go. Whoever was nervous, whoever was greedy, don't look at this. Whoever was greedy, don't look at this. I mean, maybe at the end of this bull run, right? We're still in the bull cycle, so we're waiting for that continuation after the halving, right? So we had the halving on Bitcoin, and usually it takes up to 6 months to get that that movement, right? That's what we were watching. That's what we were seeing on the past halving charts. Speaking of halving charts, we might as well pull it up. Where's my bookmarks? There. I want to pull that up. I'm going to pull that halving chart up. Oh, that's the wrong one. I thought that was right. No, here it is. We'll talk about that in a sec. Is this a sell news? No, man. I don't know. That's the problem. It could be for Ethereum. I don't think you'll see much effect on Solana, by the way. If it gets approved, I can see Ethereum reacting to the downside and everything else reacting to the upside because it's just pushing us even closer to that digital asset. 6,600 ETH is so far ahead. Yeah, no, it is. It's insane. Rumble with the leverage again. Come on, Rumble. What are you doing with the leverage? Look at the 4 hour here. And this is holding nicely on the 4 hour so far. I mean, it's just anticipation at this point. But man, 6,600 after spot ETF gets approved. That's insane. That'd be nuts. Nancy voted in favor for Fit 21. Well, not veto. Interesting. Oh, that was the other day. That was this 22nd. I was wondering what the heck that was doing. Yeah, I mean, the White House trying to work for a digital asset. We'll see. That was the report we got yesterday. That's going to be interesting to see how people react to that. Ethereum right now holding up. Hit the like, guys. It's free. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, yo, we hit way over 100. Great job, guys. We hit 100 likes today. Guess what? Tomorrow we're going to be doing a $300 giveaway. All you got to do to be a part of that giveaway is hit the sub button right now and join the stream tomorrow. We'll be doing a $300 giveaway tomorrow live on stream. All you have to do is join in the main stream you're in right now, and we'll get cranking on it, all right? All you do is tune in and then type in a command, and you'll get entered. Why are you not following Roaring Kitty? I think did I mute him? Am I not following him? I might have. I don't know. But that either way, guy's a legend. I don't have anything against him or anything. If that's what you're trying to get at there. Who said that? Wardo, is that what you're trying to get at? Lux, I will give 1 Bitcoin away tomorrow. Give away an ETH tomorrow. Give away 1 ETH tomorrow. That'd be fun. Maybe someday. $300 though tomorrow live on stream. Just join. That's all you gotta do. Any advice for new traders? Watch the charts, man. Just like TradingView is free, guys. If you want to get into trading, TradingView is absolutely free. All you have to do is make an account and start watching the charts on the assets you like. Watch how price moves. What time is it? That crazy news? Like we said earlier, guys, the news for the Bitcoin ETF, we don't have an exact time, but the news for the Bitcoin ETF was 3:45 Eastern. So we're going to be, assuming it could be around that time. So obviously it's 3:27 right now. So we're watching that. We're watching that. We're waiting for 3:45 Eastern. Yes, sir, Ham. Will Matic recover to 1 this year? That's dude. Matic's the worst. Matic and XRP, man. Nope. Like, let's just stick with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, and then be done with it. I'll give you guys even Avalanche. Like Avalanche, I like too, but like freaking Solana, ETH, Bitcoin. Heavy on Bitcoin. The rest, do with as you please. Be very careful. That's what I would say. You attack my leverage. I know you're smart with leverage. I'm not a fan of leverage. It's just not the best. What's my favorite indicator? Probably the price action concepts. Sorry, I always say that, but I like the combo. Price action concepts and the oscillator matrix are my favorites. Always use the oscillator matrix for our trades. I see, yeah, XRP is going back to Coinbase. Did it have any reaction today to it? Like, did it actually have reactions to it? This is how literal garbage XRP is. This is how literal garbage XRP is. Look at what it did today. People hate it, right? People just sold that right back through the low. It's literally down 1%. It broke out and then it's just dumb, dude. This thing's just, I mean, they're just going to have to scrap everything and just restart on this idea. It's one of the longest standing altcoins, and it just has done nothing. ETF in about 15 minutes, possibly. Sorry. I'm not going to say apparently. Possibly in about 15 minutes on the ETF. We're waiting. No, here we go, baby. Here we go, ETH. Here we go, ETH. This is a 15-minute. Yo, let's go. Here we go, ETH. All right, so, I mean, honestly, right now, I mean, look at the consolidation of this level. This is why it's like, is it sell the news or not? I don't know. I think price could probably just hold here. If price held at this point, man, it would be more so it's just priced in, right? Because like look at the ETF update push with 23%, and then it's now just trading here, waiting on the approval front. Guys, let's take a poll, man. Yeah, I'll show you live news when we get it. Let's take a poll. Will ETH pump or dump on approval? What you guys got for me? Pump, dump. Here you go. What we thinking? Hold on, I gotta exit out of these. What you guys got for me? There you go. Put your votes in now. Are we priced in? That's the question. That's the big question. Are we priced in? How many indicators am I using right now? One. Literally, let me just turn that off. The rest are lines, man. These are just levels we're watching. I can take them off now. I can take the lines off if they're bothering you. Besides the, I guess the money flow profile I have up too, but. Guys, the weekly time frame though, if let's say we break that high we've been watching, right? The 39.27 we talked about yesterday, we've talked about all week. You know, on the weekly, we targeted that on this first initial run. All it came from was 2021 price levels, right? That weekly price level there, beautiful reaction already. Major reaction, right? We said this already. You know, if you want a little tip on plotting good levels for like long-term plays or setups and take profits, watching to see what crazy reactions happen on a weekly time frame. Like in this case, open close high there, 46%. Happened again there, about half of what happened there. But again, price on Ethereum went up, rallied, hit 4K, and then made another 27% reaction to it. So again, that level we're really gonna have to get through. We got to see some closing prices over it. Just give me a week that closes over 4K, and then more than likely we'll make that next 2-3 weeks a run up to that 4,600, which is yet another weekly open close level which we had issues at. So that's what I'd be targeting right now, is about 4,600 if we get that breakout. Y'all are saying pump right now. Majority saying pump right now. I love it. Go over the oscillator matrix. It'll get approved because they want you to spend money on all matters as long as you're spending money on earned dollars. Yeah, honestly, they can just use your capital and give you an ETF. Here you go. But again, guys, remember, ETF for Bitcoin. The ETF on Bitcoin got approved at or around 3:45 Eastern, sitting at 3:33 Eastern right now. So we got about a little less than 10 minutes, or a little more than 10 minutes. Sorry. We're gonna wait. This is an ETF waiting room? Absolutely, it is. Dude, your luckiest or unluckiest trade? What do you mean? XRP isn't moving. Yeah, XRP is the worst. Didn't Bitcoin dump after approval? That's the difference here, right? Is because we had the major reaction on Ethereum when it got approved, when it had that potential approval rumor, right? 75% potential approval. Major pump, 26%, 23%, whatever. And now, man, we're actually trading quite nicely. Yo, dude, no way. Guys, the Bitcoin predictions today for my HODL gang is going to be close. 651. I can't close that until we hit 245. It's going to be real close. Bump. Salty Biscuit. Oscillator Matrix right now. Money flow is just now flipped bullish, which is a good sign. If ETH, gives you another higher low above that 50 level, you'll probably get that continuation. But there's your money flow on this. Watching for that could be really clean. I would want to get that moving. You hear me, guys? Tomorrow, if you want to be, tomorrow we're giving away $300 live on this stream. If you've enjoyed the stream so far, I very much appreciate it. Just hit that sub button and tune in tomorrow. You can learn how to entry, but you do have to be subbed to be a part of it. If you want to be a HODL Gang member, you get 5 extra entries as well. All you have to do is sign up for the HODL Gang. It's literally $1, or if you have YouTube Premium, you can sign up for free. Just hit the join button under the live stream. I think Sol will pump more than ETH after approval. BTBP, I hope so. Let's go for Solana. Give it to me. give me Solana like 200 after approval. That'd be awesome. Dude, this is going to be so close on Bitcoin predictions. Bitcoin predictions going to be so close today. 67651. All right, guys. Bitcoin predictions. Those of you who've been waiting for those is 245. You know, a lot of you are new here. Bitcoin prediction, guys, at the beginning of every single live stream, if you tune in within the first 15 minutes, you can place whether you think Bitcoin's going to be more or less than the beginning price of the stream. So at the end of the stream, if it's more or less, you get 100 points added to your profile because we have a point system. You'll see people in the chat right now, like, pinging the bot and, like, gambling with their points and stuff. You can actually rank up just by coming and hanging out, and getting your Bitcoin predictions in gives you a bigger chance of getting more points. And then we do a $100 giveaway on Monday to our top 10 viewers of the week. So very much appreciate every single one of you. Make sure you hit that sub button and hit the like, guys. Let's get 200 likes today. Come on. View on Cardano. I mean, I'm not a big fan of Cardano, honestly. Are you long Bitcoin? Long term, absolutely. Bitcoin prediction? No, I'm not. Yo, Bitcoin prediction again is gonna be. Oh man, that's gonna be really close. Yeah, long term, definitely. Yeah, long on Bitcoin, 100%. ETH back green, guys, on the 4 hour. It's a green, been mega green on the daily. If we can close over this high here, 3813. Let's go. You on Chainlink? Love Chainlink. Holding. I have Chainlink for the long term. Guys, oh wait, hold on. We got any update? We got literally less than 10 minutes here. Yo, Bitcoin More might hit. Bitcoin More might hit. I was going to see if we had any updates. This was the other day. We're just waiting now. Come on, brother. Hit the like button. It's free. That's right. I think the news is in. Guys, you know, if the news is in, you'll see it in the chat. You guys, I know our mods will send me the news when it hits. Too much OP. Pump song, let's go. You want a pump it up song? You got to pump it up. Nah, we'll hold off on it. I do want to. Let's play that other song that I like. Let's play that royalty-free music song that I really like. Actually. Get dangerous, get one. Let's move it up a little bit. Let's get hype in there while we wait. We are getting volatility. Let's go to the 5 minute. Let's see it. Let's see that volatility. Already rejecting that swing high there. Lower high coming in. Honestly, you want to be bullish on the 5 minute? Get me over that 38.25, baby. Give me over 38.25. We'll make some room. The problem is it went up earlier today, right? Hit that, swept those highs, came down, then swept these lows all the way up. So we just need to see. I mean, honestly, give me over that price right there, 38.25. Be very, very nice. Let's look at the. Oh, there you go. Let me optimize this. 19 here. We're breaking out of that bearish neo cloud as well. Optimize this set in the dashboard. Remember. We can get over this swing high. Man, I'm liking this so far. This is a nice little V-bounce here. How's the oscillator? Look at the V-bounce on the oscillator. Nice turning point there. Wow, this thing's going. Come on, baby. Get up, get up, get up. It's really got to get through 38.25. Catch up song. The Solana pump song. How much do you think it'll pump in 24 hours if approved? I mean, if it can get over the 3,900 level, we could probably see that. We'll definitely see 4K this evening. It's just going to have to get up there. The issue, which we've already discussed a few times, guys, is the fact that this could already be priced in. So once we get the update, you're going to definitely see volatility. We're definitely going to see reaction once we get the update, but where it heads, that's the question, right? XRP on Coinbase this morning, right? Hits, and then this thing just... This thing did absolutely nothing. Look at the 1 hour. But ETH will be a lot different. Look at the support, though, of 37.50. I've got 5 minutes left for our Bitcoin predictions. Come on, baby. Okay, we're still in the green. We're still in the green on Bitcoin predictions. Can't close that position until the 45. Oh, we're getting crazy, baby. Think I'm safe on Sol? Not going to 133. Is that your leverage? Is your liquidation price at 133, dude? Come on. Gosh, dude, your liquidation price is at 133. What are you doing? Rumble around with the rumble around. I know we all love leverage. I know we all love leverage. Goodness gracious. Oh, it's your small account. Approved, baby. ETF accept, ETF dump. We'll put it in, baby. Put your poll in, guys. Come on, pump or dump. Put the poll vote in. Come on. Put the poll vote in, my friends. Put them in. We're holding nice over 3750, so that'd be nice. Guys, tomorrow, $300 giveaway live on this stream. If you enjoyed it so far, consider hitting that sub button. Very much appreciate it. Also, smash the like. Come on, guys. Get the like going. Get the like button up. We got 600 people in here. We got 169 likes. Come on. Get you guys on that like button. Besides that, appreciate you tuning in. Come back tomorrow to learn how to enter the giveaway. But how do we find out? Well, you just chill out on the stream and you wait until we get reports on it, okay? But again, guys, remember, let's go back over what we talked about a minute ago. If you're just now tuning in, 3:45 Eastern is when the Bitcoin ETF got approved, right? We got about 4 minutes, and it's 3:45 Eastern yet again. Now, obviously, I don't think they're going to be that persistent in hitting it perfectly on 3:45, but, you know, very well could happen here very soon. So be ready. Biggest bull trap in history, dump to 3,200. Well, put your vote in there. Very well could be. Who knows? I don't think so. I don't think it's going to. You know why it's not a bull trap? You know why it's not a bull trap? Because this thing's way off from where Bitcoin is. Look at the difference here with Bitcoin. Bitcoin, you better stay where you're at. Bitcoin here, it's let's see, how far from its all-time highs, right? Bitcoin from all-time highs, 9%, right? Look at ETH. ETH's been lagging, so it's due. ETH is due for this, right? ETH from its all-time highs, 20-30%, right? That's why I don't think we could get a dump on this one. I think it could be nothing but good. But not saying it like, it depends what you define as dump too, right? Dump to me is a weekly candle going back and dumping like 10-20%. That's a dump. Dump's like 14%. People will say 3% is a dump. Like, have you even traded crypto? Like, what are you doing? Like, come on, brother. That's what called trapping. Yeah. Love your stream. Fabulous. Thank you, man. Make sure you sub. Come back tomorrow. We go live every day, guys. At very least only 4 times a week, but we do go live majority of the time 5 times a week. Tell me to buy right. Come on, give us something. Give us something, Ethereum. I'm gonna see some action. SEC chart dumping. Let's look at ETH/SEC. 200 leverage on ETH long. Y'all are nuts. Here's in the chat for that guy. 200 leverage. Are you kidding me, brother? 200 leverage. 200x leverage. You're insane. Bop. Government. Possibly to delay approval. Do you get the news fast? Yes, sir. We get it pretty fast, man. You'll see it. We're gonna link the tweet in the chat. We will link the tweet in the chat. BK is on it. BK, you better be on it, brother. BK's on it. We will link the tweet in the chat when we get wind. Right? I'm gonna double check. I'm gonna double check my sources. I'm gonna double check my sources here. Make sure we're on it. Let's go, baby. Man, it's #1 trending right now too on Twitter. We can we can watch the trending tab as well. Let's see. We'll go latest. Approved, denied? Come on, brother. We'll glance back and forth at it, but we got it. 500x leverage on ETH long term. Goodness, dude, you guys are nuts. Who in the world would do that? Imagine creating something like Ethereum and then knowing it's about to be approved, like as an ETF. Like, you literally were the breakthrough. All right. we gotta put this user in timeout. Oh wait, Bitcoin predictions. Bitcoin predictions. We gotta close it. Boom. Les is the winner for my Huddle Gang members. Les is the winner. Great job, great job, great job. Les is the winner. Let's go. Great job, baby. If you said less on today's stream at the beginning of the stream, if you predicted Bitcoin was going to be less by the end of the stream with the starting price, you get 100 points added to your profile. On Mondays, if you're a top 10 viewer in the live stream, you get a chance to win $100. All you have to do is tune in early enough, my friends, and you can enter your Bitcoin prediction every single stream. Great job to the less. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Reject. Everybody coming in here just saying things. Indicator name on my chart, price action concepts, man. We also got the oscillator matrix on here, and then every once in a while you'll see me throw up the signals and overlays. We're breaking that bearish neocloud. That's a good sign. See if we can get that continuation. News time. Yep, news time right now. Give us something, baby. Come on, give me something. Give me something. Waiting on it, guys. Remember, like we said already. Let me pull it up on the other. This is about the time we're at, right? 3:45, right? 3:45 Eastern was roughly that time. With Bitcoin approval on their ETF. So we're kind of just holding back, waiting. We're waiting here to see if we get any update. Waiting to see BK. Yeah, BK's. We got our Twitter team on it. They'll put it in the chat. I know our Twitter team's watching right now. So guys, if you guys see anything, just send it in the chat, okay? Chris, if you're in the chat, send a message. I'll make you a mod. Chris, if you're in the chat, or Wild, send something in the chat. I know you're watching too. I'll mod you as well. Make sure you guys can get those links in. But man, this thing's kind of just chilling though. It hasn't really moved on the 5 minute here. Caspa, approve check. What's the deadline? What time will we know? I mean, today's deadline, right? Deadline's today. So, who knows? We're just waiting. We just hit 3:45, so that was the time. There's not really a time frame, man. It happened. The Bitcoin ETF happened roughly at this time yesterday. So we're kind of just holding out, waiting. We're just holding out, waiting. We just waiting, brother. We're waiting for it. Les is the winner, though. Let's freaking go, Huddle Gang. Let's get it this week, Huddle Gang, on our Bitcoin predictions up 1,000. That's awesome. Good work. H-bar. Is it dropping? Yo, what's up, Kai? How you doing, man? Got a nice double bottom on the 1 hour and failed to close under previous low. I think it's possible to see a pump. Let's look at the 1 hour. Why not? Here's the deal about the 1 hour, by the way. 1 hour is in bullish structure. I mean, you got a higher low, but the problem is, like you said, yeah, it retested that higher low, and then actually it closed pretty close to it. It did close below it. I would want to see today, guys. Remember that daily candle's big. If it closes here, I'm happy. It needs to close right here at 37.90. We plotted the 3900 yesterday as resistance. Ends up going up and tagging it beautifully. Maximum short positions are opened on ETH at 5 minute on CoinGlass. When's the ETF decision? It's supposed to be around this time, so we're watching it. Ask Gary to hurry up. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. So we're kind of just holding out, guys. We're holding out, waiting. How many minutes left? I mean, like we said, guys, it's already past the time that we got the last update for the Bitcoin ETF. So at any moment, we could probably get news about it. Hopefully. That's what we're waiting on. Stay tuned. He says stay tuned. Look at this guy, though. Like, this is the guy? Seriously? This is the guy. Come on, Gary. Come on. This is the coolest thing you're going to do in your whole life. Just approve it already. This is the guy? Our crypto warrior. Rumble. Oh man, what's our prediction? The biggest thing is I honestly think we're gonna get some volatility. We're gonna get some volatility, and then what's gonna happen is it's just gonna settle. I honestly think that's what's gonna happen. Who knows though? Here's the difference: is Bitcoin was roughly, you know, already going for all-time highs. ETH is about 30% off. The Skinwalker? What, dude? There's the chat for that. The Skinwalker, he said. ETH is 27% from that all-time high, man. So that's a big difference here. There could be a big reaction. Mr. Burns in the chat. Guys, as a community here, if you're on the stream, if you see something legit come out, put it in there. We want to get it as quickly as possible. Y'all are here with me. We're all looking at the same crap here. We got a team of people right now trying to stay up to date with the news, right? We're trying to stay up to date with the news, but like, but if you guys see something before we do, feel free to throw it in, man. Public awareness said SEC approves first spot Ethereum ETF source D's nuts. What, like, airs in the chat for you, brother. Come on. Great source, man. Great source, D's nuts. Dog Elon. Okay. Guys, if you spam meme coins, I'm gonna have to. My mods are gonna ban you. All right. Just letting you know. Well, yeah, that is true, Junior. Nothing happened. Let's go to the moon. I mean, that's the thing. We're just waiting, dude. We're just waiting. We're waiting right now. Like I said, here's our boy. Everybody in the chat. Everybody in the chat go, Gary. Type Gary. 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 Guys, everybody in the chat right now go, Gary. There we go. There goes Rumble. There we go. Let me get Gary's in the chat. Come on. Gary's in the chat. There we go. Gary. Come on, brother. Like, get it done. Maybe Gary's watching. Maybe Gary's just anticipating this. There we go. Somebody said gay. All right, Air's in the chat for you, brother. Gay, gosh. What you doing, brother? Go, Gary, go. Gosh. Trust me, guys. Here's the other thing is, you're going to see volatility when it hits. When the news hits, we're going to see volatility. You got to make sure that you're watching the chart because we'll see that reaction. So we'll know when something hits. We can go look it up the minute we start seeing volatility. I'll throw up the 1 minute chart here on ETH. Aight. We're just waiting. We're just waiting it out, my friends. It's dumping. Look at this guy. Gary is stressed. Gosh. Larry. Some other guy spamming Larry in another chat. Y'all are funny. Gary, don't make it a nightmare. Dude. All right, who could top that? Who could top that? Who could top Gary, don't make it a nightmare? That was pretty good. Yeah, he said stay tuned. That's what I'm saying. Look at our Lord and Savior here. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? We can't miss him. Gary. Oh, I can't zoom in on his face. I gotta download it. Give it to me, baby. Approve it, baby. Come on. Gary needed to hit a blunt. Dude, imagine being Gary, though. Imagine being him. Imagine sitting there, honestly, hitting the button, whatever it may be, approve or deny, which would be pretty cool if that's what it was. He'd be like shaking. We were waiting to hit it. Yo, acknowledge he's Mr. Burns from The Simpsons? Yeah, we gotta look that up. Mr. Burns. Bro. This is side by side. All right. Which one's Gary? Hold on. I missed it. Wait, here. I gotta go back. That was good. Wait, no, here it is. Which one? Here's Gary. And then here's Mr. Burns. I mean, that's pretty darn close, dude. Oh, man. That's funny. Guys, tomorrow we're going to be doing a $300 giveaway here live on stream. If you want to be a part of that giveaway tomorrow, make sure you hit that sub button right now. And you'll get a chance to be entered in tomorrow's giveaway. You do have to tune in to enter, but you have to be subbed to be a part of it. So we're just waiting on Gary. God, dude. Gary, bro. We're just waiting, my friends. We're waiting. You'll see, guys, if anything releases, you'll see, first off, reaction on Ethereum's price. You'll see reaction on Ethereum's price. And then we'll look for the news. Otherwise, my mods will spam it in the chat. They'll spam the link. Let's get it. From Bloomberg, James, what do you say? There's no set time. Yeah. I mean, that's the thing. There's no set time, right? But before it was literally right around now, right? 3:45 Eastern, right? So, I mean, hold on real quick. Let me see. Let's see. I'm looking up like the last time. It was on the 10th, but okay, it was 10th at 3:45. So if we go back to like Bitcoin, right? It was January. Dang, it was in January, dude. That's crazy. 3:45 Eastern. At 3:45. Can I get the 1 minute on there? I got the 15 minute. Probably can't get the. I got it. Oh, there it was. Yeah, here's that day. So there's your sell the news. Look at Bitcoin here. Bitcoin ETF approved. It dropped off, right? But here's the difference, though. This thing. Let me see here. Again, the difference is where Ethereum is located versus. Yikes! Look at that. Look at that candle. Is where Ethereum is located versus Bitcoin is. Is it approved? We're just waiting. Just released. Let's go that 1 minute. Again, we'll see reaction when it's released. We think it's already priced. I think it's already priced in as well. Delayed until July. Where do we see that? You guys see something? Let me know. We're just waiting. I'm waiting on my team's looking too, guys. So just be ready. We're just waiting. They can't delay it. Yeah, I don't think so. Look at everybody spamming delay. Come on, brother. Airs in the chat for the delay gods. Delayed. Come on. Bull trap, as I said, if it gets delayed. Okay, brother. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait and see. Can they delay it? That's the problem. It's like, look at they're getting pressured by over 5 lawmakers to approve it, right? So it's like, I mean, if anything, if anything is gonna be approved, I guess a delay would be the only other option. Delayed until next bullish move in the market. I like that too. Approved. Everybody's coming in with approved and delayed. Gary. Let me get Gary's in the chat again. Come on. We got to motivate this guy to do something. Yo, wait a sec. There it is. I love it. This is awesome. This is so good. Shout out to Haas for that tweet. That's awesome. I'm going to retweet that. That's so funny. God take it. Y'all are nuts. Gary left the chat. Maybe he did. Unreal. Guys, while we're waiting, man, I really appreciate you hit that sub button and the like. If you are subscribed tomorrow, you can enter to win $100. We're going to be giving away $300, $100 to 3 winners. All you have to do is tune back in tomorrow. 4 p.m. already. Did Simpsons predict the ETF approval? Maybe. Who knows? Who knows? That's the question. That is the question. We be waiting. Approved yet again. What time is the announcement? We're waiting, man. That's the biggest thing here. We're starting to see some volatility, guys. Like I said, here we go. We're seeing some volatility. When you see that volatility, usually something's starting to hit. You'll see it in a sec. Holy moly. Look at that reaction. Denied. Look at the 1 minute. There she goes. I don't know if it's denied, though. That's the thing. We got the tweet yet. Where's the tweet? I can't read this language. Crazy reaction so far. It's already back up. Fake out. Look at the daily here. Look at the daily here. Let's see what happens in a second. Daily candle's a big one, right? This is like FOMC, guys. This is like FOMC live. You're going to see it get bounced right back. Gosh. Let's see, 5 minute. 5 minute down. That was the 1 minute, though, which is crazy, right? It's already back up here. Come on. Go. Put us through 4K. Go right back. I'm sweating. Let me go to our Twitter here. Fake news. Only a matter of time, guys. Come on. Nothing's hit, guys. I'm telling you, you're gonna see the minute we have information. Y'all are the first one to see it. Okay. You guys are gonna be the first one to see it. I promise. You're gonna see it in the chat. All right. I got people on standby waiting to put something in. Somebody just sold a buttload of Bitcoin. Whoever went short there, great job. Got liquidated. You liquidated some peeps. Goodness gracious. That's what we're waiting for. Did a fast soul short 20%? Nice. Bitcoin going with it? Yeah, probably the rest of the market. I mean, guys, this is also the 1 minute chart, so don't be too crazy. Let me bring you back. Let me bring you back to the daily. There you go. That was a huge dump. Guys, this is a daily chart. Guess what? Ethereum's about to go back green. Come on, baby. Pump it up. Pump it up back green. Give it to me. Show me the money. The POV. No, it's way this one. No mid. Go back green. Come on. Liquidated 100x peeps. There you go. 5K coming. I like that, Chemo, with the 5K. Where do you watch the news? I mean, Twitter, man. Twitter's your feed. Why am I getting a different language? This is him right now after doing what he's doing to us. Twitter, man. Twitter's your best bet. Mr. Gary himself. Mr. Gary himself. Gray back in chat. Sips is predicting everything, right? That's the thing we're waiting on, man. There's nothing. Somebody just had a fun time with all the shorts there, with all the longs. Somebody had a fun time with all the longs there. That was a nice reaction. We're not getting anything there. Public awareness team. The spot ETF is likely to get accepted in the next 2 to 4 hours. Yeah, we're just waiting, man. ETH wick down to the weekly open close, Wardo? Did it really? Weekly. Oh, you're right. Right down to it, man. Crazy. If I plot that there, this level here, watch. Plot that level, guys. Let's go to the 15. Let's go to the 5. Holy cow. Wardo. Oh, no, that was the 3,500. Oh, no. On this one. Yeah, you're right. Holy crap. Look at this pivotal level here, right? Pivotal level on the weekly. We drag it back over. Go to that 1 minute chart, the 35.24. Oh my gosh. 35.24 here. 35-2-1. That's insane. Gary, come on, brother, please. Please, Gare Bear. There, this is typical reaction to impulses in a directional, guys. You got shorts that cover, and then re-short, and then you have the new shorts come in. We'll see who takes it here. Pretty typical reaction to any impulse. Breaking news postponed. I think this is reaction on the SEC getting hacked again. Just kidding. Just kidding. SEC hacked again. Gary's at it. Yeah. So tense right now. The volatility is insane. It's insane, honestly. Guys, tomorrow, bet that XRP hasn't moved. Dude, you're probably right. You're probably right. XRP probably hadn't moved. Are you kidding me? What's the news on the ETF? We're waiting, man. Gary hasn't entered the chat yet. We're waiting for Gary to enter the chat. Why does this song keep playing? Come on, Gare Bear. Gary's buying Bitcoin now? That's going. Pump or dump. Right now, guys, Dump's in the lead for this. Dump's in the lead on this one. We're just waiting. Breaking news: SEC postponed the decision to launch a spot ETF. Yeah, but what's the is that the actual update though? We need real data. That could anybody can tweet anything. Anybody can tweet anything. I wouldn't say that's correct. That's why you got to follow and wait for us to post the update. Now we're just waiting, man. Now we're just waiting. $3,000 again, mark your words? You think so? You think 3K again? There's one official page it'll come on. You're right. You are correct there. Oh, man. Oh, man. Now we just wait again. Somebody, man, give me a coffee or something, Gary. You're making me wait for this. Please, Gary. Somebody order me a coffee. Just kidding. Seriously. Yeah, let's check in. Let's check in our other Lord and Savior. He's just walking down the street in his shorts with his long sweats under there. Nice. Thank you, sir, for creating Ethereum. Very much appreciate it. Who's banking today? You guys up or down today? You guys red or green today? Put it in the chat. Are you red or green? I want to know. I want to hear you. Red or green today? You should be green, guys. Honestly, overall, you should be green. We had such a long time. Red. Gary. Tech Warrior. Flat. You should be green, honestly. We've been waiting forever, these low 3K levels, man. 3K has been the money price. Everyone is red. On the day, probably red. You're probably right. On the day, I should have rephrased that. We're waiting, though. Gary shafted you? Yo, airs in the chat for Gary. For my Huddle Gang members, airs in the chat for Gary. Airs in the chat for Gary. He's late to the party. Still green. I love to hear it. Oh, come on, man. ETH, go back green, baby. There's in the chat for my Huddle Gang. Let's go. Guys, you want to join the Huddle Gang? Literally, it's $1. You can sign up, get cool emails. If you join the stream, tune back in tomorrow. $300 giveaway tomorrow live on this stream. Make sure you hit that sub button. Would very much appreciate it. Yo. Now we just wait. Now we just wait it out, my friends. Make sure you're watching, guys, by the way, the SEC Gov Twitter, okay? Watch the SEC Gov Twitter. And then everything else, right? We'll keep you posted, though. We postponed for 6 hours. Well, I guess we're going to be here for 6 hours. Just kidding. Yo, back up in that range, though. Back up in that range, though. Look at that volume come off of that level. Look at how it just jumped. Volume just jumped to this level there. That's nuts. That's freaking nuts, dude. Unreal. Yeah, yeah. The ETF can only be approved on a round time. That's an interesting theory. They moved the time 6 hours. Send me the link proving that. Yeah, where's the source? Where's the source on that? Where's the source on that? Here, I got the link for what we're doing here. What we're looking for. We should get something here. Here's Chair Gary. Mr. Chair Gary. Mr. Gary Chair. I'm cooked. I lost. What? You want this link? Here. I'll pin it for you. You want the update? There you go. It'll be here. BK, just if you have a link like that, just make sure you throw it in the chat, okay? If you're watching. That's the link you sent me. Come on, everybody. One Bitcoin, 100K. Too much spam and trolling. Yeah, people are literally saying approved, denied, approved, denied, approved, denied. What's wrong with the mic over there? Is my mic bugging for you guys? All right. I appreciate it. I guess TikTok's having a mic issue. I don't know what it is, TikTok. Here, I'll refresh it for you. Make a crunchy sound. Guys, man, we're just waiting for this thing to come back up here, to be honest. Hopefully that fixed it. I wanted to see here. Still the same. I don't know how to tell you guys. Postponed. I don't like. That's what we're waiting on. That's the rumor right now is postponed. Now we wait. Yet again. Sauces. Dude, Twitter's fried, man. Twitter's so fried. Twitter is so fried. Now we wait. We're back in this range, though, which is good. I mean, it's climbing back out of it, which is good. We'll see. We're honestly just waiting, my friends. I'm sorry. I'm sorry that we haven't got an update yet on the deal there.
Yo, I can't tell people on TikTok if you're having mic issues. If I'm having mic issues, I can't honestly tell. Let me check 1 sec. I don't know why y'all are. I'm gonna refresh the TikTok thing. As long as YouTube's good. Go back to my scenes here. So I'm fixing the TikTok stream, but say they're postponing for 6 hours. Guys, send me a trustworthy link, and then we can talk about it. It's like you gotta send it to me though. I don't understand how something can dump. Yeah, we just gotta be patient. We just gotta be patient. All right, TikTok, what about now? Are we better now? Otherwise, I don't know what to tell you. It's still messing up. Sorry, guys, I can't fix it, so I can't fix the mic issue. I'm gonna have to leave it out as. Yeah, literally still processing on this dump, but we'll see if we can recover that price, 37.25. Let's see if we can recover on that price. Just a matter of time now. Just a matter of time. Just a matter. I want to see if we can get if we can regain that 3,700, guys. We can maybe get a nice move. Wow, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Come on, brother. Yeah, I figured it out. I know that I figured out the issue. The audio capture screwed up. Aight. Yeah, I mean, come on, dude. Like this is the problem. It's like it being delayed, we're gonna just go back right to where we were. Right? That's the problem. There you go. Buyers took it off 36.42 again. Guys, 3642. Unreal. Coming from these previous highs here. Weekly there. Boom. Right off of it. Great support there. I mean, now we just hang back and wait. Hang back and wait. Sorry we didn't get the same amount at the same time we had before. We can go back, like with the Bitcoin one, it was the 10th. Can I select date on here? Year, here, month. All right, let's type in, let's go, Gary. Gary's in the chat again. Excuse me? You denying me? Come on, brother. Come on, brother. Let's go, brother. Can I really not search? You gonna do this to me? Gary. Guys, there you go. That's the issue. Gary can't log into the SEC U.S. Exchange website. That's why. It's just a crappy website. Y'all DDoSed. Y'all DDoSed their website asking for approval. Here we go. 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 There it is. Here we go, baby. This is what it's going to look like. This is what it's going to look like. All you need is this website link, and then you wait for this one right here. Oh, nice. Sick. 2? Staying hydrated. All right. Yeah, so it's going to look like the statement on the approval of spot. It's going to say Ethereum exchange traded products. Okay. So that's what we're looking for. Gary, goodness gracious, cheap.
There's in the chat for that. We're just waiting for that now. Without Gary lies. I mean, I wanted this daily. I want this daily to close green, guys. We really need to close up over at least 2,700. There's rumors that it's delayed. That's what I don't know. BK, is that true? Is the delay rumor true? I don't think it is. I think it's just people saying that because it's already delayed past the Bitcoin time. Nada. Hi guys. I mean, we need legitimate sources, my friends. If you want me to say, hey, that's correct, it's delayed by 3 hours, then, you know, 100%, I will believe you. But you have to give me a freaking link. Give me something that proves. That's what I'm saying. Dylan says it's not true. What happened to Joe Rogan? Are we talking about Joe Rogan? Get out of here. Whale alert. Gary had to take a crap. I like that. I like that theory. I think Gary can't sign into his own website. I think that's the issue. Like, I type in Gare Bear, right? Watch. Gare Bear. And it just... Does that actually search? No, I can't. Gary Barry. So I can't even search it. I could just type in Gary. Oh, Gare Bear worked. Maybe. I can type in Gary. And look. You tell me. Search Gary Ferry. That's what we're waiting on, guys. We're waiting on this thing to release. Come on. The amount of people that are probably pinging this website right now is why they haven't posted it. But we're going to sit here and keep hitting refresh to be a part of the movement, right? We're going to be a part of the refresh movement. Everybody refresh that page now. They're not really... There was no set time on the announcement, guys, so we can't consider it being delayed, by the way. Dude, heck yeah, Red Productions. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, guys, I might as well say, hey, you want updates on everything going on in the market without all the noise? Follow our Twitter at LuxAlgo. And also funny memes. Oh, Gary. Oh, Gary. Follow our Twitter, seriously. LuxAlgo. You entered a position? I just hold Ethereum. I'm not really gonna search Gary Ferry approval. Yo, Gary got locked out. Yeah, he just can't. He forgot his login, dude. He's probably gonna get hacked again. Yo, wait. Y'all wanna get? Let's guys look at this. Hold on. We gotta. We gotta look at. Where is it? Yo, look at this. Here you go. Let's see. Look at his Twitter. Let's just look at his Twitter real quick. I bet you people are like going nuts on here. Dude, that's hilarious. That's good. That's so good. Resign immediately. ETH. You won't, Gary. You won't. Everybody go pressure Gary some more. These are all 6 hours ago, though. I want to see stuff that's like 5 minutes ago. Just imagine being a guy that's in charge of this, and then all of the crypto world has your Twitter, and they can just post this stuff on any of your tweets. Like, that's iconic. I would literally just go home at night and just read through these things. Gary, please resign. Gary. Price still about break even on the day, guys. Gary is Zuck's dad. We're waiting on their approval. Yeah, it's not going to be delayed till 12 a.m. You're right, Kirk. That'd be ridiculous. That would be ridiculous. Oh. Lux Algo status. Yeah, I know. We were just looking at that. We were just looking at it. Let's refresh the exchange site again. It won't even refresh now. It just literally won't even load. Yo. Yo, no wonder, dude. You guys want to... Gary is not delaying it. We are delaying Gary. That's what his tweet's going to be. Y'all want the approval? Well, you can't access the website. Oh, man. Just imagine. Oh, Gary. His diabolical plan. Yo. Everybody email him. No 6-hour delay. I'd be shocked. Y'all crashed the website. Pumpered up on approval. Well, we just had some crazy reaction on no movements at all. I shouldn't have pinned that tweet. I shouldn't have pinned that link. Y'all froze the site. Gosh. We're not gonna. There's no way we're gonna get it now. Guys, go check out our Twitter, though. If you want to be up to date with everything going on in today's market, make sure you follow the Twitter at LuxAlgo. Very much appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Reload's fine here. I guess I pinged it too much. That could have been my fault. That could have been my fault. Wait, maybe it's because I searched something. Let's go here. Aha! It was because I searched something. I was messing with you guys. Ask them on email. It's literally going to say approval decision. Or whatever we saw. We refresh again. Glad it's... I mean, it should work. I mean, you think it takes that much power to process this website? I mean, come on. It's just text. ETH. Almost green on the day. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got, Gary? What do we got, Gary? Come on, brother. Postponed. Decision will be taken in 6 hours. Guys, that's a rumor. I trust me. He's US based. He's not gonna be up at midnight trying to posting a freaking article saying it's approved or not. We'll probably get it sometime soon. We just gotta be patient. Come on, man. Ryan Garcia delayed it. All right, now we're just being silly. Here's for you, brother. Bloomberg update from BK. Oh, yeah, Eric. We love Eric. No update yet. There you go, guys. Okay. Saw 2 different people on here claiming it's delayed without saying their source till later tonight. But we can't confirm with anyone yet, okay? Everybody simmer down. Simmer down. Gary could be watching the stream, trying to mess with us. So everybody in the chat, just in case if Gary's here, everybody type Gary in the chat. We gotta egg him on. Gary. Come on. Give me Gary's in the chat. I need to make a Gary emote at this point. He could be watching. He needs motivation. Gary's on the phone with BlackRock. God dang it. Gary's on the phone with BlackRock. Y'all are nuts. Gary. I'm not watching. Stop saying my name. I didn't read the post under it. Oh, thanks for reminding me. While not confirmed, a little delayed isn't crazy considering trading in markets was told 11th hour themselves. We think it's possible they had rejection letters prepared, so they would need to finish writing it. I don't think, man. There's no way midnight is even in the cards. If anything, it'd be another hour or so. I'd be shocked. My mama said bad man won't let you play with coins. What? Why is gold dumping today? That's a good question, my friend. It's just made all-time highs. What do you think? ETH, though, mega wick down on the 1 minute and then recovery. I mean, look at the daily on ETH, though. Look at the daily recovering on ETH. Guys, while we're waiting, though, tomorrow we're doing a $300 giveaway on this stream. If you've enjoyed the stream so far, we do this every day. We literally live stream every day. So make sure you hit that sub button. You do have to be subscribed to the YouTube if you want to be a part of that giveaway tomorrow. Besides that, appreciate you guys. Man. Come on, Gary. Oh, we might have something. Wait a second. Wait a second. We might have something. We might have something. Oh, never mind. Hold on. Come on, Gary. Give me something, brother. Give me something. It says 4:30. Wait, here we go. Here we go. Guys, why haven't we done this yet? Why haven't we asked ChatGPT yet? What are we doing? That's how we know all the answers. When will the Ethereum ETF be approved? Let's see. Around May. Okay. What time? Speaking of time today, as you announced, is not typical. Tell me now. This is you. I'm being you. I'm being you right now. Is the ETH ETF delayed? Has the latest decision on several ETH. This is pulling from before. This is pulling from before. Oh man. Gary buying ETH. Come on, man. Are we gonna go back green on the day? Mad Smash Gary. Yo, what's up, Red Productions? How you doing, man? Welcome back. Yo, Bitcoin though, guys. We might as well start looking at some analysis. Bitcoin right now, 4-hour bouncing back. Beautiful bounce back on the 4-hour. It's respecting that 67K, which is nice. Respecting the 67. Weekly time frame, guys, on Bitcoin. I really want to see this thing close up over that high of 67,700. We're not far off. We're not far off from that all-time high, I will say. But just respecting that previous pivotal point is key. Respecting the previous pivotal. Solana as well. We just need to close this week over last week's high 176. That 174.37 is pretty key as well. I would want to see that actually trade back above it. But again, on this current move we've got right now, I would want to see if we can create some type of structure off that those two previous highs there around 160. So we'll see on Solana. Give me Solana. Man, it's just let's go refresh again. Let's ping the site again. Come on, Gary, give me something. Yo. What a weirdie. Just kidding. We love you, Gary. If you're listening, Gary, please do something. Download high-resolution image. They're just asking for memes. They're just asking for memes. You can download high resolution. Okay, I want to see the... Yeah, guys, if you want, though, what to stay updated, just keep refreshing this website, and that's where it'll be that'll be posted. We'll see it there. Look at these guys coming in and saying approved. Come on, brother. Come on. What happened to Oprah? Look, you guys, who cares? We are focused on one gentleman right now, and he goes by the name of Gary. Pepe ETF approved. We're just waiting, man. It's a matter of time, my friends. It's a matter of time. We had where'd that go? There it is. Eric updated us. No what? Eric said update. No update. You got it, Gary. You got it, Gary. We appreciate you. Come on. Bitcoin pumping. Yeah, Bitcoin bounced really nicely off that structure. Ooh, Bitcoin swept the lows, and now it's clearing the highs. See that structure shift on the 5-minute. Ooh. Breaker block. Breaker block play on Bitcoin here. If it can clear that high, you got to get a nice closure on that 5-minute, though. 63%? Holy moly. That's a heavy order block. What's the best TP to you with Signal or NeoCloud? I like to target swing points for TPs and order blocks. Signals and overlay, it's just all the targets for those come from the same thing. Optimize it to 11 here, coming out. There you go. There's you go. Nice breaking move there on Bitcoin. Let's see if we can get it though. Yeah, right now I'd be going right for. Let's see. That should be a breaker. Let me show the breaker blocks. It'll be a breaker if it closes above it. You can see it's starting to print. Gary got paid for doing nothing, like balls. Let's go to ETH again. Ooh, ETH, nice volatility there a bit. All aboard. How to approve crypto online course. Okay, hold on. Let's ask ChatGPT. How to approve crypto ETF. ChatGPT, what you got for me? This is actually quite impressive. Okay, well. You can't. Okay, whatever. We're not going to mess with it too much. Will you give me giveaway tomorrow? Tune in tomorrow. $300 giveaway on stream tomorrow, guys. I appreciate you all tuning in today. Make sure you hit that sub button if you enjoy the stream. We literally go live every day and for these major news events as well. Is voice mode? I guess. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Can't you, like, talk to it or something crazy? Mr. Burns will be with us shortly, okay? We're just waiting on him. Let's refresh the SEC site again. Come on. Please. I'm going to be like 80 years old by the end of this. Like 80. Gary, approve it, please. Yes, that's what I'm saying, man. Like, can you just approve it already? Somebody reboot Gary's computer. Absolutely. Somebody drop an EMP on Gary. See what Eric's saying again. Good old Eric. A little delay, by the way, guys. Let's read that again. Little, not 6 hours. 6 hours is not little. Aight. We can watch ETH's price to see the reaction. I got you, JC. I appreciate it. Check near. I'm going to look at near for just 1 second because I love near. Near had the little dumpy too. Freaking love this one. Near, man. Wow. It actually hit our it hit our next target. I'm looking for that 9 closure. Trying to get it over 9. Let's go back to that 5-minute on Bitcoin. Did we get the breaker? We didn't. Almost got the breaker. Rejecting it though. So far. Hey. Guys, what do you see here? What could happen here? Got a little sweeping move, but we could have a nice inverse head and shoulders playing move here, but swept the low. Swept the low, break structure. Give me that move back to 68K. Come on, Bitcoin. 68K today. Head and shoulders. Inverse head and shoulders. Man, dude. What a... Look at this thing. Yo, ETH is all over the map right now. This is nuts. Approved, no troll. Approved, no troll. Trust me, we'll know when it's approved or not. Okay, guys, one more time. Let me show you. Let me show you what we're looking for here. On this website, this is where we'll see it, okay? January 10th, right? Let me go back. I gotta go back to 3. No, it's the one after that. We go to 2, right? All the way down. We go down here. Okay. Statement of approval on spot Bitcoin exchange products. That's all we need to look for here. The commission approved the listing and trading of a number of spot Bitcoin ETFs. Okay? ETPs or whatever. But in this case, that's what we're looking for. All right? There's no tweets, no nothing. We're looking for that to be posted on this page. That's it. That's all we're looking for. So don't come in here being like approved. 100K in 2 hours? That'd be nice. Gary's my daddy told me he'll be Streamlab. Streamlab ban. Deleted yours. If ETH not approved, Biden going home. He called Satoshi. He told me ETF has been approved. God dang it. You guys. Y'all are nuts. Come on, mouse. This mouse is wigging out. Oh, man. I need to DoorDash something at this point. Yeah, Gary, seriously.
Who's your daddy?
A lot of people have never heard that, which is going to be funny. That's going to be interesting. People that don't understand that, it's going to be real interesting. Hey, Huddle Gang, let me get some Who's Your Daddies in the chat.
Who's your daddy?
Gary, who's your daddy now? If you want that email, guys, join the Huddle Gang. Goodness gracious. Render's going up to $14. I like where your head's at there. Freaking love Render. Guys, we're just waiting now. We're waiting on the report. We're just waiting on the report. Wow. Look at this chart. Look at the chart today. Nvda, the king that reigns all, guys. 26 billion in revenue. 26 billion in revenue on Nvda. Unflippin' believable. Eric, guys. Eric is the updater. Eric updated us, okay? Little delay. Little. That was 19 minutes ago, okay? We got to be patient. We're just waiting. A little delay. Guys, if you have enjoyed the stream so far, consider subscribing. We'd very much appreciate it. We'll be back tomorrow and pretty much every day, but tomorrow on Fridays, we do giveaways. We do a $300 giveaway tomorrow live on stream. Make sure you tune in. You do have to be subbed to be a part of that. Solana, the 10 year is the only thing up today. Solana at 171. Nice. Solana recovered. You gotta love Solana. Man, love me some Solana. Bitcoin breaking that high yet? No, not yet. Nothing yet. That's what I've been refreshing, brother. BK posting a link again. Waiting on old Eric now. Eric and Gary, a duo made in heaven. Yo, In Cave Perspective. Welcome to the Huddle Gang. Huddle Gang's in the chat for In Cave. Appreciate you. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Appreciate you. Welcome to the Huddle Gang. Guys, you want to join the Huddle Gang? You get 5. We're live on Lucy. We're live on YouTube right now. Main stream's on YouTube. If you want to be a part of today's giveaway, please, or tomorrow's giveaway, please join the Huddle Gang if you want 5 extra entries. Very much appreciate it. Says pump it. Y'all voted pump, man. 3,800 votes on pump. Freaking nuts. ICP. I haven't even looked at ICP today. ICP whack. Nah, it's not going anywhere. That's just stuck. ETH bouncing off its daily breaker. Let me look at Bitcoin. Yo, Bitcoin on the verge of going green today. Come on, man. Gary, yeah, stay tuned. That's what we're waiting on, man. That's why we're staying tuned, my friend. We're just waiting on him. Organized pump. Who's my daddy? Yeah, you jumped over. What's up, man? What happens when the update comes out? That's what we're waiting on. Because, guys, remember, those of you tuning in that are new here, when we had the news about the approval coming up, look at Gary in the chat. Look at Gary in the chat. Yo, who made a Gary YouTube? Who made a dude? Errors in the chat for that dude. Gary in the chat. What the hell? That's hilarious. 23% move though we had on that news, by the way. When we had that 23% move again, that was on the approval news or potential approval news. That's why it's like kind of iffy whether it continues. That's nuts, bro. Dude, that's crazy. Um, 88 thoughts? Guys, this is the page we're waiting for the reports on. This is the page we're waiting for reports on. Now we just wait. Should I close Bitcoin long? You open it in December? No, bro. We're holding for long term. You know the drill. Doberman, what are you doing? Guys, real quick, let's honestly let's go to the happening chart, right? Let's go to the happening chart. So those of you, this is pretty exciting. This is one of my favorite charts I've seen. Okay, so the second halving we had 110% increase going into it for Bitcoin. We had a 283% move after that. We're looking, remember, we had over 100% increase starting at halving date. So with halving happening, you know, we have up to 6 months for this increase to continue. 200%, guys. Guess where that puts us? That puts us well over 100K. Really looking for that 100K move this year on Bitcoin. So, get excited, man. And it's very likely. Very likely 100K this year on Bitcoin. So, but guess what, though? We will be going over Bitcoin every day in this YouTube channel, on this stream. So make sure you tune in. That's all I can say. If you want constant updates, my friends, make sure to be a part of it. Be a part of the stream. Appreciate you. It's 5 p.m. Yeah, come on, Goober. Come on, Gary. Come on, Eric. Eric, will you call up Gary for me and tell him? Tell him to get the show on the road? Like, come on, brethren. All right, let's see the latest. Let's see the latest ETH rumors and memes. What is happening? All fake news spreaders. Oh, geez. Here come the meme coins. Oh, Gary. We love you, Gary. But please, any day now. Any day now, Gare Bear. Best source is Eric. Yeah, Eric will keep us updated. Man of the people. Eric. Dude, that like freaked. That kind of scared me there for a second. I was like, yo, chill, Gary, chill. Okay, what is she doing, brother? 10-minute, we get the results. Hope you're right, man. I hope you're right. We're just waiting. Please say May 23rd right now, please. Dude, Gary is slower than the snail, Gary. Yes. Somebody got SpongeBob's number. I want to get Gary on his computer. Now you can't look at Gary without thinking of The Simpsons. I know, me too, man. Mr. Burns destroys crypto. I mean, we had a bearish reaction on the approval for Bitcoin. Will that be copied, guys? Y'all said pump versus dump on approval.
Yeah, honestly, Gary does need to use Luxaga indicators to see what he's doing. I think Gary tweeted about that. Gary, I usually get off work at 5. Gosh. Pain, maybe someday. Yo. ETH back green, baby. ETH back green on the daily candle. ETH back green on the daily. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Let's go the 1 hour though. Holy cow! Look at that wick. Look at that wick. Breaking moves. Here's Bitcoin as well, making that breaker. Didn't get a full retrace. Nice higher low though on the oscillator. Where's ETH? Guys, again, if we get a pump on this, by the way, for Ethereum, looking for the 3,900 or looking for the 4,600 move, okay, on an ETH. If you get breaking, you get a weekly close over 4K, I think we're gonna go see 4,600. Big time. Big time. It's gonna be 8:30. Yeah, guys, more than likely, I'm gonna be live for like another, I don't know. We're gonna play it by ear here, but we're not gonna go forever. If it doesn't get approved in a little bit of time now, we'll probably call it. But I'll give Gary another like 45 plus minutes. then we gotta call it. But guys, seriously, if you've enjoyed today's stream, please consider subscribing, man. We're live every day. We're going over these charts every day. We're doing analysis on top of news updates every single day. We go live between 1 and 2 Eastern, okay? You'll see the scheduled stream between 1 and 2 Eastern every day. So make sure you hit subscribe and hit that like button as well. And tomorrow we're doing a $300 giveaway, by the way. So make sure you tune in. You can't tap out before Gary does? I mean, if it's gonna, I'm not gonna sit here and it's gonna be midnight and he actually posted if that's true. Yeah, look, Francisco's tired, man. Francisco's tired. 6-hour delay. Dude, that's not real, bro. It's not real. The 6-hour delay thing is not real. It's a rumor. It's not real. Eric would have said that. Eric said a little delay 26 minutes ago, okay? Okay. I'm bored. Start dancing. Has anybody got a coded game with Gary's face on it that I can play? Like, it's like Gary is like the hungry hippo and he's like eating ETH coins or something. Somebody make that game real quick. If he calls my name out, I'll subscribe. AJ Smith, what's up, man? There you go. You better hit that sub button. Should we 1 second trade Ethereum? Should we 1 second trade Ethereum while we wait? Yeah, let's get you guys excited. Here you go. It's approved. If my computer doesn't, this is the problem. Is it gonna freeze? Oh, it's not freezing. All right, guys. I'm gonna make a new paper account. If I can. Create account. ETH 1 second trading. This is a paper account. Okay. Okay, I can only have that much. 1, 2, 3. I can only have $1 billion. Okay, here we go. 1 billion ETH 1 second trading account while we wait on Gare Bear. While we wait on Gare Bear. How many should I buy? I need to buy what, like 1,000? Yeah, I think we buy 1,000 at a time. All right, here's your guru. We gotta wait on Gare Bear. It's in a nice. Remember, if you're not new here, we're gonna ETH 1 second chart. We're gonna day trade it. Let's go. On our paper money account. Come on, give me that extension, brother. We might as well do something on stream. Might as well do something on stream. Yo, y'all. Actually, I got an idea.
I got an idea. New poll. New poll. ETH. All right, new poll. Start a poll. ETH, long or short? Long. All right, go. You guys got 5 minutes on the clock. Or 2 minutes on the clock. I'll give you 2 minutes. Long or short, go. Pull it. Set a timer for 2 minutes. Y'all are trading it. Y'all are trading it. I'm not trading it. Y'all are trading it. You got 2 minutes to put in your long or short. We'll see who wins. Put your vote in. Long's winning right now. Got a minute 47. While that's going, put in your votes, long or short. I think long's gonna win. We'll do 1 minute at a time. I got 20 seconds. I'm hitting the long button. And then we're gonna go long for 1 minute again. All right, y'all voted to go long. We're gonna go long in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. All right, we're long. Y'all said long. Is chat gonna be correct? Chat, you're trading. You're trading. Yo, let's go, chat. Chat, you're trading. Oh no, chat. Bad decision. Bad decision. Chat, what'd you do? Let me give you guys. Oh, let's go, chat. You got 42 seconds. 42 seconds. Yo, chat, you're a crazy trader. No, chat won with long on the yo, come on. Timer goes off, I close the position. Timer goes off, I close the position. Yo, chat, what are you doing? Let's go. 18 seconds. Don't do this to me, ETH. Don't do this to me, ETH. Look, got timer. Got the timer, 12 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 2, 1. Boom. Great job, chat. Great job. All right, we got to trade more than that. We got to trade like 10,000 of these. Okay. Let's do it again. Let's do it again, chat. ETH, long or short? Great job, guys. Making bank. All right, guys, y'all choose. Here we go, and we're gonna start it. Y'all are trading while we wait on this thing. Y'all are the trader inside. And 3, 2, 1. You got 1 minute to put in your trade there. There's your poll. Go. Long or short? 1 minute to decide. It's not out yet. I'll double check while you guys are putting that vote in. It's not out, brother. Chat's trading. I'm not trading. This is not financial advice. You know the drill, man. It's all paper trading, brother. Chat's trading anyway. This is not me. This is chat. Chat's trading. Y'all want long again? You got 28 seconds to push it to short if you want it. Better put that vote in. The poll just went up. 19 seconds. And we're going to go short. No, wait. I got to do 1K. Hold on, because we already did 1K. 9, 8, 7. Y'all want long. They want long again. Well, chat, is chat correct? Let's see. All right, 1 minute of trading. Let's go, chat. Come on. Give it to me. You had to vote. Vote 688 votes for the long side. Come on, chat. What is happening? No. Now we're still in the green, though. We're still up. Don't worry. We're still up. You got 38 seconds to clear it. You got 38 seconds. I told you short. No, hold. The chat decided. You guys voted on it. Y'all voted long. We got 28 seconds. Come on, baby. Go green. 19 seconds. 17 seconds. This is how much longer the position will be open. We're still green now. We're still green. Still up 3,600. 8, 7. Oh, 3, 2. Yo, let's go. Dude, last second there too. Hell yeah. Great job. Great job, chat. Chat, you're a better trader than anybody. Y'all are awesome. Wait, did we hit profit there? 960. Yo, it's pumping too. Yo, that was a close one. Y'all, you want to go again? Y'all want to go again? Did we do it again? Yes or no? I mean, we're not doing anything else. Let's double check on the SEC here. You gonna go again? All right, one sec. Y'all are making these decisions. Y'all are making these trades. It ain't me. This ain't no financial advice. All right, starting the poll. All right. Will ETH long or short? There you go. Long, short. All right, chat. You're 2 out of 2, guys. Y'all are killing it. Y'all are up $9,900. Let's go. All right, here we go. Starting the poll. You literally got 1 minute to place your vote, long or short, baby. What's the winner? Y'all are going to just go long for life. Go short. Yo, shorts might be in. Shorts in. 50-50 on the short side. Longs up. 3. Yo, this is going to be a close one. Y'all got 30 seconds to place in your poll. 30 seconds. Place your poll. Long or short? Still long. 25 seconds. People want long still. You got to place the poll vote, guys, if you want long or short. You got to place the poll vote. 18 seconds. All right, here we go. It looks like long is going to win. We got 10 seconds left. Get your votes in. Y'all are the best traders ever, I will say, if this hits again. Yo, big pumps. Big pumps. We're longing. Yo, huge pumps. Y'all said long. 56 seconds. Wait, do we got an update? 56 seconds. Do we have an update? Yo, big moves. Big moves. So wait for the timer to go off. We don't have an update yet. I don't see a statement. 42 seconds. Yo, y'all are nuts. Y'all are nuts. 3,800. Yo, stay there. 30 seconds. Stay there. This is y'all's vote. Y'all are trading this. Dude, you guys are insane. Up 27K. 30K. Dude. 16 seconds on this trade. Dude, chat's insane, guys. You're killing it. Y'all are killing it. 6 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yo, let's go. Bravo. Bravo, chat. Bravo, chat. Y'all are killing it. Y'all are the best traders ever. 37K up right now. Y'all are nuts. Guys, we're just messing around. Y'all are voting on whether we go long or short on a fake account. It's not financial advice. Come on. We're waiting on the update. That's what we're waiting on. It's like there's no update here. We'll take another one in a minute. Let's see. Did Eric say anything? Y'all are nuts. Great work. Did it get approved? We're not getting any news now. I mean, we're waiting on it. Nice little jump there. Let's go back to the daily real quick. We'll come back to the second chart in a minute. Yo, daily chart, bro. Dude, 3 trades in a row, by the way, guys. I might just trade with you guys more often. Great job. Great job, chat. 3,800, bro. Let's close up over that high, though. Close over this daily high from 2 days ago, 38.41. Come on, dude. Come on, Gare Bear. Gare Bear, please. Approved. Everybody's saying approved. Give me something. Eric replied to someone. Who did he reply to? Dude, this is some intense stuff. This is some intense stuff right here, my friends. This is some intense stuff right here. Look at the volatility on the 1 minute. This is more reaction. This is more reaction than we saw on the Bitcoin ETF. More anticipation. I think they mean approved, as in we're waiting for it, right? Literally. Come on, guys. Check replies instead of tweets. Yo, I'm checking the actual website that the approval statement will be posted on, my friends. This is where we will find out. This is where the world will find out. It's not going to be anywhere else but this website, okay? It's all fake news. We're just waiting for a statement from the U.S. Securities Exchange Commission, okay? All you have to do is wait for this to be 23, and it says something like ETF approval decision or whatever. All right, come on, guys. You tell these nerds and virgins. Good gosh. Yo, you guys are nuts. This is all you guys. Congrats, man. You guys traded the hell out of this thing. Great job. If you guys want to do another trade, let me know. Chat trades. I just clicked the button. But so far, nothing. Good volatility, though. Here's your replies. He didn't... If delay, I can think of a better theory. Why? Oh. Just did. Nothing has come in. Amazing. Y'all want to do another 1 second trade? Y'all want to do another 1 second trade? Yo, RB Sniper, I appreciate you, man. Thanks for tuning in. Let's run it. No. Cart said no. No. No, Cart spamming no. I'm pumping it. It's on Twitter approved. Guys, I don't know how many times I've explained this to you all. We're not doing anything else. We gotta wait for this freaking thing. Why don't we play silly trades? May 22nd. Like, this needs to say May 23rd, my friends. Nah, I gotta take a whiz. Let's run it again. Here, I'll pull it. Official release. Yeah, we're waiting on it, man. Y'all want to do silly trade time again? We're not doing anything else. We're waiting on this. Guys, all we're doing is sitting here waiting for a statement to be released right now. We're just waiting for a statement to be released. Before we get to the 1 second trade again, guys, I appreciate every single one of you tuning in, all right? Make sure you hit that sub button if you enjoyed today's stream. And also, come back tomorrow if you want to be a part of the $300 giveaway we're doing tomorrow. Come back to the stream tomorrow. We'll go live between 1 and 2 Eastern every day. So, appreciate it. I think Gary's asleep. Yeah, he like woke up late from his nap. He's like, wait a second. Am I supposed to... How long do you want to wait, bro? 6 hour delay? There's no 6 hour delay, man. It's just a slight delay. This is what we're waiting on. We're waiting on this right here. Oh, please, Gare Bear. Come on. Gary, do something for me, please. Let's see what Eric's replying to. I love that. Just did. Nothing is coming. That's good. That's good. Approved, approved, approved. Check the site. There's nothing, my friends. I don't see nothing. Eric says, watch your guru. Watch your guru. Hold on. Or Luxalgo. Hey, there it is, baby. We're here. 6 seconds ago. Hallelujah. Merry Christmas. We did it, baby. Fidelity, Vanek, Franklin, Arc, Galaxy, and Times Invesco. Let's freaking go, baby.
Everybody go like and retweet this right now. Lux Algo. Yo, BK, spam this link in the chat. Get everybody like and retweet this right now. We're doing a $300 giveaway tomorrow. Let's go look at ETH price. Yet again, Ethereum, guys, priced in, my friends. The pump is priced in. Guys, right now, go like and retweet that right now. Go follow the Twitter as well. Like and retweet that right now. Let's get it. Let's go. We are approved, my friends. Come on, 4K in the house. Let's get it. All right, we're gonna stay live for another 20 minutes, okay? 20 minutes to watch Ethereum's price. After that, I really appreciate you. We'll be gone at 5:30 Eastern, okay? 20 minutes, we'll be gone. Come back tomorrow, man. Let's look at more charts. Let's look at ETH tomorrow. Let's see where it's at. Let's look at Bitcoin tomorrow. Let's see where it's at, my friends. We go live every day, going over charts. We look at live trades and everything, all right? Make sure you tune in, guys. I really appreciate you tuning in today and hanging out. I hope you had a good time. I hope I was a little entertaining for you, just to kind of pass the time. But here we go, my friends. Let's frickin' go. SEC approves. There's your approvals, my friends. Fidelity, Vanik, Arc, Franklin. Let's go. Hell yeah. Go like and retweet that right now. Come on. Thanks, Gary. We love you. Hold on. Everybody thank Gary. All right, one more time. Since Gary approved it, one more time in the chat, guys. Everybody type Gary, Gary, Gary. Type it in the chat. Come on. We love you, man. Here, we'll put them on screen for you, too. Gary, Gary, Gary. Gare Bear. Now everybody type Gare Bear. Scary. He's typing scary. God bless. Oh, yeah, I'll be watching price for a little bit longer, my friends, and then we'll get going, all right? Thanks, Tito G. Gary no longer a clown. Gary has officially been declowned. Let's go, baby. Confirm. There it is. Let's frickin' go. Yeah, when are the ticker symbols coming out? I love seeing what they come up with on the ticker symbols. It's cool to see. Does this mean it'll pump? I mean, look at the chart, man. It's pumping. Look at that. Look at that bounce back, my friends. Massive moves. Massive moves. All right, so y'all know the drill, right? If we can get a candle close on the weekly over 4K, guys, we're going to go to 4,600. Watch it. We're going to go to 4,600. Watch it. If we get that candle close over 4K on the weekly chart, we're going to go to 4,600, possibly this order block sitting up here. Nice boner candle. Signal and overlays. Got it rallying through the freaking moon here. Let's go. Getting through. We got to get through that 4K. ETH up 5%, baby. 3% today so far. Massive moves. 4,600. That's what I'm looking for. Just 46 on the nose. Approved, baby. Approved, 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 guys. Go follow the. Go retweet this. BK's posting it. Appreciate it, guys. If you want updates like this, guys, we literally updated this within seconds of everybody else. If you want updates on everything going on in the market within seconds, please go follow Twitter. Promise you. No BS. We don't promote anything on there. We just do analysis. We do analysis and news updates. And memes. Analysis and news updates, guys. On the Twitter every day, my friends. Besides that, we go live on here every day. So if you consider subscribing, appreciate you all being here. Hit that sub button. Come join us tomorrow between 1 and 2 Eastern. We'll be doing it all over again. I'm going to still be live for another 15 minutes. Then I'm going to call it. But, guys, thanks for tuning in. Very much appreciate it. Let's go, Burns. Approved, 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 baby. My long liquidation, 3,300.
I mean, I guess you ain't too bad. Where's your entry? Daily looks good, man. Watch the daily candle. Will the daily... I'm going to get rid of these levels for now, guys. Will the daily close over yesterday's high? That's a big question. 38.13. Close over yesterday's high. That's a big watch right now. It's already announced and be approved. I'll put on big ETF approved. I need to make that green. Boom. Is that the biggest text I get? Yep. There you go. Official news from the SEC. Yes. Official news. That tweet right there. Go retweet it. It's this one right here. Here's where they're coming from. Those ETFs. But ready to trade? It's not going to be ready to trade for a minute. I don't know. What was the time frame on the ETFs for the Bitcoin? Anybody know? Time frame? I think it was at least a week before we get. We'll get a date soon, I'm sure. It's pretty quick. It's a pretty quick turnaround. Let's see. Did we get the update on? Oh, where'd my SEC link go? Yes, sir. Yeah. Did we get an update here yet? Nothing yet. We'll get an official statement on here. Sometimes it comes in real time. Some interesting volatility, I will say, coming in. Just be careful if you guys are trading leverage or anything like that. But guys, remember the daily candle we really want to see today close over yesterday's high. Yesterday's high is that 38.13. Nice little bounce back so far. Yeah, they're pretty slow. Sometimes they're good, but pretty slow. ETF approved, my friends. Not trading yet now. Yeah, we'll be back to trade that. We're approved, Johnny boy. Appreciate you tuning in, brother. Hit that sub button if you enjoyed today's stream, man. Thanks a lot. Yo, let's go back over 3,800, guys. Let's get it. Solana ETF next, baby. Come on. Let's get Solana ETF next. Guys, we'll be live for another 13 minutes. And guess what? We'll be live when they start officially trading as well. We literally go live every single day. Don't give fake news? What do you mean, dude? It's real now. Real news. It is real now, brother. It's gone. And it's gone. I want to see if we had that report out yet. How do we know it's new? Right here. Right here, my friends. Boom. Approved. There it is. SEC approved spot Ethereum ETFs. Let's go. Let's freaking go, guys. So it's slightly priced in a bit. Reaction to it right now is good, right? But it is slightly priced in. You can see here, we're not really much up or down. Today we're up, 1.5% of $58. But here was that initial move. So, I mean, we've been waiting for this forever. And we got it, which is awesome, dude. Like, this is big. This is huge for crypto. Like, how's Bitcoin doing right now? Bitcoin's back up on the hourly. Had a bearish day for the most part. Only down 2%, though. Solana, though. Nice reaction on Solana. Nice reaction on Solana breaking out. Back down now. Remember, Solana, I want to see it close over 174 today. That'd be nice. But ETH, baby, ETH. We love you. Approved, approved, approved. Why is ETH's not dumping, man? It's up 2% today. ETH is up 2% today. Crazy. There you go, guys. You got Fidelity, Vanek, ARK, Franklin, Galaxy Times Investco. Yes, sir. ETH buy. Honestly, ETFs are big, man. ETF approval is pretty big. That's pretty awesome. So, We'll continue to see. But no BlackRock and Grayscale. Nice. BK said and Grayscale as well. I want to see the official thing. We're approved, my friends. We are approved. It is official. It is official. Here you go. Here's James. And then also you had Eric. Eric reposted as well. Confirmed. Bah. Let's go, baby. One more time. W's in the chat for Eric. W's in the chat for our boy Gary. Finally getting it done. Let's go, Gare Bear. Finally getting it done. Big boy Gary. What are the chances they're still drafting this stupid thing? W. Yo, Junior, like the 1 second. Let's run the 1 second. EA Sports. It's in the game. Confirmed, baby. It is confirmed. It is confirmed. Big ol' Eric. I wanted to see if the SEC would post a statement yet, but they haven't. We're waiting on that. How, dude, it was kind of already affected, guys. The ETF was kind of already affected just because, remember, we had the approval update here, had the 23% push, and now we're just kind of settling, man. We'll see what it does overnight. A lot of times you'll have really good overnight sessions because the other side of the world, you know, is asleep right now. I mean, obviously, crypto doesn't sleep, right? So you will probably see some volume late tonight. Might see into close, maybe some run-ups, but let's wait. It's just this is just really big news. It's official, guys. It's just really big news for crypto in general, not just like Ethereum, but just crypto overall. I mean, insane. Insane, my friends. Gary, someone hacked our Twitter. God bless. Guys, that pinned tweet up there, go retweet it, baby. Let's freaking go. Breaking SEC approved spot Ethereum ETS. Here you go. You also have Grayscale as well with theirs. I was waiting to see if we got an official report or not, but nothing. We're waiting for that'll come out soon as well. Guys, we're gonna call it in about 8 minutes, my friends. Very much appreciate you for tuning in. Guys, tomorrow we'll be live again looking over these charts. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. Would very much appreciate it. We'll be live tomorrow doing a $300 giveaway live on stream. All you have to do is be subbed to be a part of it. And then when you enter the chat, there's a command you enter to be in the giveaway as well. So make sure you tune back in. If you want to join the HODL gang, you get 5 extra entries too. ETH buy and sleep. Guys, ETH long term, this is big for ETH long term, but it's just big for crypto. It's just big for crypto. It's just big for crypto for the long term move. I mean, the fact that it's getting these ETFs are getting accepted is huge. It's just huge. Crazy volatility. Look at the volatility on the 5 minute. Look at how crazy that is. Unreal. Money flow profile. Look at the volume still staying dead center of all that price action. Crazy moves. Officially approved, my friends. Officially approved. Got your boy Eric saying approved. It's on CNBC as well if you're watching that. Everything approved, my friends. Great job. Great job. I'm glad it happened and not this evening, right? Daily candle on ETH, though. We're watching for it to close over the high of 38.13, okay? Look at Sol fast. Sol was going nuts, man. 175 on Solana. Let's go. Yes, sir. Nice. But appreciate that. Freaking Solana, dude. I love Solana. Solana's ripping. Solana is ripping. Gary. Let's go. We love you, man. Come back tomorrow. Hit that sub button. Put on your notifications. Come back tomorrow. We'll be live again between 1 and 2 Eastern going over the charts. We'll be doing more analysis on everything. We can, guys, every day we go over whatever symbols y'all want to go over. We go over gold early on. We go over Bitcoin, Ethereum, all that. Gold down 2% still. Not much reaction for that. What did we say early on in the stream? Gold's going to hit 3,300. Or sorry, 2330, my bad. I'm so used to ETH. But there you go. Broke that low, man. I'm looking for a short on gold if it sets up. But what a dump on gold today. But we go over these charts every day, okay? So tune in tomorrow. We'll be going back over them daily on Ethereum. Just want to close over that high, 38.13. Come on, baby. Sol is pumping. BCH, how's it doing? BCH coming back down. But yeah, ETH, guys, let's just close green today. Again, don't be upset if this thing comes down and closes red on the day. If it can close over 3,700, that would be ideal for me, honestly. But again, we had a 26% push on the approval update on Monday the 20th. Remember that, okay? So it's already priced in from what we're getting on the reaction right now. But if we want to continue this, watch for just closing green today, and then maybe overnight we get a little bit extra moves. For the long term, if we ever get a weekly close, guys, if we ever get a weekly close over the 4K level, I'm really looking for that 4,600, possibly this year, all right? Watch for a weekly close over the 4K level. That'd be really nice. We've had a lot of struggle there. But again, it is approved. No official report on the SEC site, but we're seeing it all over the board from James. He sent this out, and then Eric as well. Those guys aren't going to post things that aren't legit, okay? Unless they get hacked. Unless, like the SEC gets hacked again, right? All right, guys, that's pretty much it for me over here at Luxalgo. Very much appreciate you all for tuning in. What a crazy day. 3-hour stream, man. We usually go live for only 2 hours. But I very much appreciate you guys. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Come back tomorrow between 1 and 2 Eastern. We will be doing a $300 giveaway. Consider subscribing. We go live every day between 1 and 2 Eastern. Thanks again, guys. I love you. Let's go, Gary. One more time. Gary in the background. Where's Gary? Gary. All right. Officially approved. Have a great day, guys. Thank you.